Hello traders, Lloyd Ray with HypedOnCrypto.com, your number one source for cryptocurrency, technical analysis, and blockchain education. In this live stream, we have episode 86 of Crypto and Chill. It's the weekend, so you know the crypto market's chilling. All the market makers are out getting drunk, hanging out with their SOs, their kids, on their yachts. So, yeah, the market's just kind of blah. But, you know, Bitcoin continued moving up. It's above the 20 MA, but let's go ahead and get into it. Alright, thanks for being here, everyone. Could be doing anything. I don't know why you're here with me doing TA on a Saturday night. I don't even know why I'm doing TA on a Saturday night, but thanks for being here. Really do appreciate y'all. So as you can see, you know, nothing's really changed since last night's stream. I took off today just because, yeah, probably needed the sleep. I do this every day, multiple times a day, so it's probably better for my physical and mental health to sometimes take breaks, as some have told me. So here we are within the equilibrium level and a bearish trend, right? What is the equilibrium level? It's between the 20 and the 50 moving average, simple moving average, and we came up, we tested that and failed. We couldn't do it. We're scrubs, right? We've done that before up here, but it was a 200 this time. Could never even touch the 50. Okay, so you zoom back in time, you can see when you're in a downtrend clearly, you don't even come close to the 50. All right, came up here, went over the 50 just for a little bit to break down, right? So that's what happens when you're in a downtrend. You stay below the 50 and the 20. When you're in a bullish trend, you stay above the 20 and the 50. Hey GD, good man. 2 times, man. Thanks so much for the sub on YouTube. You the G's, man. Appreciate it, man. But as we can see, eventually, hey, guess what happened? We had that bullish divergence down here. It played out. Turn the music down a little bit. Seems like it's a little loud. Okay, so yeah, the bullish divergence played out. It was respected. The TA, guess what? Here we had a little bit of bullish divergence. You had to double click to see it. It was there on both oscillators, and we got it. We got the pop that we wanted, but again, not able to break and hold above previous highs. Okay, so we broke down, and we're gonna see where we go from here. You know, we're holding off that 20 twice now. That's nice. 52 minutes left in the 4-hour candle. Let's take a look at chat. What's up, Derek? Everyday's Miracle, hyphen on Periscope. Anthony, man, what's up, dude? Hodl wants TRX. Okay, we'll put it on the list. It'll be the first altcoin we look at besides the big ones. Hey, JR. Hope you're doing well, man. Dave Jones wants RDD. Alright, RDD's on the list. Vin. Derek wants Vin. Alright. Got it, man. Dave wants Linda coin. Linda or Yanni, right? Nebel. Froghead. Alright, man. That's cool, dude. Colorado wants EOS. Alright, it's on the list. Got it, man. Yep, Beanie Babies incoming. Lots of Beanie Babies for everyone. Carlos says, Zill, everyone come on. He wants a pump and dump. Alright, get a telegram going. Bobby Miller, hey, man. Hope you're doing well. Benjamin Smith, good evening, man. Hope you're doing well. Hensley Capital Management, I hope you're doing well as well. Multiple wells everywhere. EB for the crescent moon. Mr. Singh sending mini Bitcoin bouquets to us all. Is it a thing not to talk about XVG? No, just no one ever requests it these days. Because I guess it sucks. Right, normally when coins suck, people stop requesting it. Knockhead says it feels like we are in a bear market. I guess kind of like February, March. It kind of feels like you're kind of in the desert. The Sahara. Not the Sahara Desert because that's redundant. I learned that last night from comments. Because Sahara itself means desert. Hensley wants Lind. Alright, we'll put Lind on the link, man. Lind on the link. Lind on the list. Colby wants ADA. You suppose. So that means you're not very happy about it. ADA, you suppose. Yeah, I guess so, man. What's up, Arthur Beeswax, man? Doing alright, man. Doing alright. Crypto Farmer wants tequila. Okay. Tequila on the list. Yep, they're on the list, Drew. Thanks for being here, man. Hey, Max Expo. Thanks for being here. Mr. Selecki's drinking his beers. Wow, Benjamin. Well, I hope you didn't. She probably wouldn't care either way. Yeah, they did. They did, Anthony. I was watching it. I was at a pub down the road, and yeah, I was watching the Celtics get destroyed, man. They truly, truly were. It was weird, man. They just... Cavs were just too much offense, man. What's up, Michael? That's right, Bobby Miller. Texas Sounds. We're not doing TA, just drinking and hanging out. Yeah, man. I drink a few beers at the pub. Didn't have anyone to go with. I just went by myself for the first time in my entire life. 30 years old. I'd never done it before. But, yeah. Did it. And it was terrible. What's up, King Logan, man? How you doing, dude? Hey, Rimlog. Did you stop subbing, man? What's B&B? Alright, man. Put it on the list. B&B. Gear Up DJ wants BCH. Alright. On the list. Long list already. My God. Cisco's on the list, man. You're fine with ADA, no complaining. Alright. Do I think there's any hope for Verge? I don't know, Greg. We're going to take a look at it, man. Nope, didn't, Hector. Did not, man. Didn't. Alright, so Bitcoin still within the wedge. Had the bullish divergence work out, moved to the upside, but that's all you got. Was a not even a higher high. I mean, technically, but it doesn't matter. You got rejected immediately, but you're still holding above the 20. If you want to break out of this and really be the Jesus, just we'll see some volume, but how the heck are you going to get volume at this time on a Saturday? It just doesn't work like that. So, alright, that's Bitcoin. Let's go to Ethereum real quick, knock it out before we move on. Oh, wrong Ethereum. Nice move, man. At the top, look what we're doing. Remember the bullish rectangle we talked about? We're literally testing the top right now as we speak. Okay, powerful level of resistance. As you can see, that's a rectangle. That's why it's a rectangle, because you have a powerful level of resistance at the top and the bottom. And it's straight. But again, it's overall bullish. So at some point, we should be breaking to the upside. Okay, measure moves 86877 from this sim triangle. We just, when we ran up, broke to the upside, we just started consolidating laterally in that rectangle. So hopefully we can break that at some point with some volume, because we're getting absolutely none right now. Okay, I mean, it's literally, look at how we just died off. Volume's completely descended into nothingness. So it makes sense on the weekend, right? You go, man. So come on, man. Let's go Ethereum. Be the Jesus, man. Let's do it. Nothing more to talk about. I mean, you know, if you're new in here, this is the absolute best performing coin of the entire cryptocurrency for the past 2 months. Nothing's performed better than Ethereum in terms of consistency and trend. Okay, nothing. Not one coin has done something like this. IOST was close, but it broke out 2 days ago or yesterday. It was like this, but again, it failed. It sucked. So now we have Ethereum's the lone leader, okay, on the top by itself. So there you go. Let's break out. Let's break out. We're right at the top. Critical levels of resistance right now. It's going to be very difficult to do that with no volume on the weekend at night for the West anyway. So let's go to Ripple. There you go. Yeah, there you go, man. So literally no one's playing this coin except computers. No one is playing this but computers. You broke out of the falling wedge pattern, but as you can see, we're holding well within this downward sloping channel. Okay, that's fine. When you make your impulse up, you do it again, you start contrasting against the moves up. That's good. That's bullish consolidation. So hopefully we can see at some point, if we start getting volume, get major players into this, we could break over the heart line, the 20 and the 50 right here, break to the top of the channel, and then eventually hopefully break out. And we could talk about targets being, you know, measured moves. 99.48. We had that as the measured move. Very large wedge. So let's do it, man. Let's try to get out of there. That's it. That's Ripple. Nothing more to talk about. Let's go to Tronics. There's Tronics, man. Never even hit that bottom. Too strong. Too much accumulation right now. So alright, so it looks like we're moving up right now. As we speak, this 4-hour candle, we have 44 minutes left on it, okay? Low levels of volume. Very, very low.
Crypto SP tipped $1. Thank you, smile.
Thanks, Dan, man, for the $1, dude. Really appreciate you, man. Means a lot. So, yeah, just everything's dead, right? You're 60 on the RSI, right at it. You know, anything above 60 is bullish, and you're right at it. So, your positive momentum's just gross. And again, volume's dead. So anything being moved right now has nothing to do with really humans. It's just mainly bots. No one's like in, you know, no one with a ton of money right now is at their computer currently anywhere around the world being like, oh my God, let's do this, man. Let's do this. We're going all in on Tronics, man. No one's doing that right now. So great, you're moving up. Okay, but again, you have critical levels of resistance up here with your ascending triangle. When we said the measured move, if we did in fact break out of this at some point, we'd be hitting 1,024. Okay, so from the widest areas of the triangle, that was our measurement. We measured from the breakout wherever it'd be from here to here. Okay, that's it. Nothing's changed. We did a lightning analysis on this yesterday of Tronics. Okay, so if you want to get some more Tron fix, go to our main YouTube page and check out our most recent lightning analysis video. Okay, that's it. There's Tronics. Just got a red coin. Red coin was in a channel and it broke. Okay, we broke out of the channel. So you're still holding, which is okay. Nothing wrong with you know, not breaking down. Like if you break down and you bust up like this, you break down again. If you keep making higher lows like that, that's always fine to see. Nothing wrong with that. A little bit of strength makes it kind of intriguing and interesting to see. So we'll see if we can hold this, but again, you just as of yesterday had a death cross, right? Death cross, 50 crossed over bearishly over that 200 MA. Your 20 is below. I mean, that's terrible. That's not good. Your 20 is below your 50, below your 200. That's the most bearish thing ever. Hope to God that you can hold above this. If you don't, you're in a lot of trouble. Okay, you're in a lot of trouble. So with this, I mean, yeah, you broke some miniature swing highs, but you couldn't even come close to breaking to these levels, right? Or you couldn't march up at all. I mean, you didn't even hit the 50%. You know, this was one of our targets. The 50%, you got so close, but you couldn't do it. Now you did in fact hit your measured move, 114 sats. That's a target. One of your targets, one of the three. 1, 2, 3 targets. You only hit one of 3 before breaking down. So thanks to Bitcoin on that. All right, but again, you broke a trend. You ran up to try to get back into the trend, and you rejected it, and now you're back down below all 3 critical MAs. Okay, so when you did break down, you hit the lowest spike in strength that you had seen since back on the 18th. Big scar on all the altcoins, just like Bitcoin. That was, I think that was the day after. That was a Sunday. That was the day after St. Patrick's Day. The bearish hurricane hit everybody really, really hard. All coins across the market got hit with this, and they have that scar to show it with the huge spikes in negative momentum and negative strength, weakness, whatever. So take a look at chat real quick. What's up to Don, man? Hope you're doing well, dude. No, there was not an afternoon stream. No. Yeah, Derek, ADA's on the list, man. Hey, Greg. Yep, BCH is on the list. What's up, Mr. Singh? XVG's a terrible beanie baby, that's right. No, I mean, you know, it's in my fridge downstairs, but I mean, I went, you know, had a few beers at the bar. But no, I mean, I've got my water with me. I don't have any alcohol. at the moment. Might be a short one tonight. P. Miller, you're signing up for the Tier 3 Patreon. Man, it varies. Okay, when I see setups, you know, I'm gonna post them, right? But if I feel the market's maybe not doing what we would want, maybe I don't post them, right? But I've got a lot of consensus to post them no matter what the market's doing, and people, a lot of Patreon are like, we don't care if they fail, just give us the setups, and we're gonna make the decisions on our own either way, because they're gonna know. They say they know what Bitcoin's gonna do because they watch the stream. So, you know, per week, probably like 10 plus. I mean, definitely. Just scrolling through chat, almost done. What's up, Lawrence War? Thanks for being here. Sith Tentacle, how you doing, man? How can I tell? The volume's abysmal. It's almost inexistent. That's how Sith Tentacle. It's very easy. And you should know that market makers don't play, okay, on the weekend. They all families. What's up, Vita? Thanks for being here. Is the measure move always from swing low to high of most recent pattern developed? I'm not sure, Bobby. I mean, there's just, you have to know each pattern and know how to just measure from like a head and shoulders or a coven handle or a wedge or a triangle. They're kind of different every way. Diamonds, diamond tops, diamond bottoms, they all have measured moves. And you just got to know where to measure. So that's it, man. There you go. There's your RDD coin. Let's go to Vin. As we freaking said, last night it was pumping, and it's like, who cares? You're below the 50, and look what we did. We tested out the 50, and we got ourselves a evening doji star reversal. Okay, evening doji star reversal, right there, ladies and gentlemen, right here. Same thing. It's really more of a bearish pin bar. It's really a bearish pin bar on the 4 hour. Okay, so. A lot of weakness. You can't even get above your 20 and hold above it. It's pathetic. So again, like we said, we're looking to see 45,661 measured move from the widest area of the wedge. So what we did, measure from here to there. From the breakout, we measured that same area all the way down, and this is what we hit, 45,661. That's it. That's it. Wish there was more to talk about. Then had a beautiful falling wedge. Broke out. We hit our measured move at 52,378. Hit it. Retraced immediately. Bull pull, bull flag. Ran up. Broke down. Hit a higher high. When we made that higher high, I guess we didn't have bearish divergence right there. Almost pretty much double top. Broke down. Found a low, a swing low, then broke to the upside again. Broke down. Made a higher low. And then eventually we ran up again. Already had this plotted, and we respected the TA so freaking well here, and then we broke down and then just completely fell out, which happens a lot in rising wedge patterns, exhaustion patterns. Okay, so that's it. When we ran up, right, we made a higher high here. We made significantly lower levels of positive momentum. Hey, Big Hoyts. Big Hoyts, I've never seen you in here or seen you type or anything, man. Thanks so much for the $50 contribution. Really do appreciate you, man. It means everything, dude. Thanks, man. Jeez, dude. Big contribution, man. Wow. Thanks, Big Hoyts. You got any questions about TA? Hit us up in the chat or the Discord. You the real Jesus, man. Thanks, dude. Okay, so man, that's big time, dude. Big Hoyts. Thanks, dude, again. Any contribution you make's reinvested to make the quality of the content better for you, the viewer. So thanks, man. Anyway, we should come down to test the 200 soon, and then eventually we'll test the bottom trend line of the huge upward sloping channel, which is here. Okay, test both of these areas soon. If we fail that, we'll hit the measure move, 45,661. Nothing more to it. So there you go. There's Vin. Man, a lot of weakness, dude. A lot of freaking weakness. You thought we might have seen some sort of a falling wedge, but we're having a lot of issues holding above that area completely, man. So maybe it's just a channel. That makes sense right there. There's your channel. Screw the wedge. Just say we're in a downward sloping channel, okay? That's it. Nebel had a fantastic breakout of a huge wedge. Okay, when it broke, started an upward march. Got too high too fast. Made a lower high and broke down. Lower high, lower high, lower high. Right, so you had like 4 consecutive lower highs from your highest high of the entire run. Okay, so when you broke down, you're now close to that 236, right?
Rob R tipped $20. Thanks for the Saturday TA.
Man, wow, Rob R. Thank you so much, man, for the $20 contribution, dude. That seriously, man, you didn't have to do that, and that means everything, man. Really appreciate you. I'm humbled by you and Big Hoyts. Wow, y'all kicking it off like gangbusters, dudes. So thank y'all, because I'm nothing without y'all. Okay, so really appreciate you a lot. Thanks for being here and supporting me, and hopefully I'm able to be positive in your life. Okay, thank you, Rob. Thank you, man. So in terms of support and stuff, I think we've got some coming up down here. 11,702, 11,474. We might just, in a downtrend like this, you can just methodically continue marching down as long as you want until you find some area of value. The market makers decide they want to turn it around. Okay. What we could do, I guess, is just delete the target fibs and just go with some support fibs, see where we end up. So we're below the 618 now from this swing low to swing high. Okay, the 786, 78.6% retracement from that low to high would be 11,918 sats. Okay, and yeah, we're clearly showing crazy levels of bullish divergence, which is Class A, so it's impending price action reversal soon, but we're just not sure, when that's going to occur. So let's wait and see. Just should happen. That's it. That's Nebel, man. There you go, man. It was a nice run, but we broke a short-term trend to the downside, like a lot of the other altcoins. So let's go to EOS. Yeah, that's it, man. That's my internet. That's life. That's how it works.
Lawrence Ward tipped $100. What's up, brother? I'm just trying to say hello, tracking crypto on the Discord. I've been with you since January 2017, but I run a trucking business, so it's hard to catch streams, but anyhow, dodgy.
Dude, trucking crypto, man. Coming in with a $100 contribution, man. And sorry about the internet. Look, I don't know what the problem is. My internet will just randomly just shut off, or it's not my internet. It's just OBS just stops working for like literally 5 seconds just to cut me off, just to go offline to come back online. And I don't know why it does that, and I have no idea what to do about it. Just does it, and I'm helpless when it comes to that. But dude, trucking crypto, man, coming in with a $100 contribution, man. You and Big Hoyts and Rob, man, that's incredible, man. Like, dude, I'm beyond grateful, trucking crypto, man. Thank you so much for that, dude. It means everything. Okay, so thank you for your support, And thanks for being here and continuing to watch. I'm glad I've been good enough, you know, because there's a lot of entertainment out there. There's a lot of education out there. And thanks, man. It means everything. Seriously. Seriously, man. Wow. It's freaking amazing. All right, just changing songs real quick. Yeah, I know. It's stupid, man. I don't know what's wrong with my internet. It's not even my internet. It is, but it's not. It's like, how do you even complain about something that cuts out for like 5 seconds and comes back? It's not a big deal to most scrub people around here, but, you know, it is for me. It's a huge deal, but they're not going to know what to do about it, and they're not going to be able to fix it, and they don't care. They don't care if they fix my problem or not. So, wow, y'all been really generous, man. Freaking amazing. Jeez, man. I think all three of y'all are just new contributors to the stream, and I'm very, very taken aback by that. So thank y'all a lot. Crypto address for Anon donations, yeah. Well, we like having the public contribution so everyone can see who it was, and you can be anonymous doing that, right? But there's nothing set up yet for cryptocurrency that's implemented into our Stream Elements or Streamlabs. So it's unfortunate. OP, nah, not yet. ADA is coming though. It wasn't one of the first. It was one of like the 8th or something recommended or asked for. Yep, sorry about that. Thanks again, Lawrence, man. SEC backed cryptos. So there you go. It's Neville, right? Let's go to EOS. Oh, that's nice. Wow. You're right there. Go to critical levels of resistance on minimal volume. And unbelievable. That sucks, man. I mean, you're already showing bearish divergence. Pfft, just pathetic, man. I mean, maybe if you break out on decent levels of volume, you might not get that. You might break to higher levels of positive momentum. But for now, you are making bearish divergence. You're making a higher high currently with lower levels of positive momentum. That's the worst form of bearish divergence, believe it or not. You don't have to, but it's not good. It's not what you want to see at all. So... Hey, Lord Awesomeness, man. You were awesome, dude. You the Jesus, man. Really appreciate that $20 contribution, man. It means everything, dude. Didn't expect a friggin' dime, man. Going on air. Thank y'all. Y'all are friggin' amazing. Couldn't do it without you at all. Seriously. Thanks again, man. And I'm really glad you found us. And I really want to, thank Matt Beasley for letting y'all know who I am. Because who am I, right? And just...
Anonymous tipped $100. One more time because I've been gone for a while.
Hey, Anon, I don't know who you are, but Jesus Christ. Wow, man. Anon, thanks so much, dude. Like, are you sure you meant to be Anon? Or, I mean, I'd love to acknowledge you to the crowd, to the audience. I mean, who wants to anonymously give out $100? Like, I'd love to praise you. Oh, was that truly Crypto Trucker? I'd like to get, do we know if that was him? Just give me some verification on that. I'd love to know, seriously. Hey, Dan. Hey, Shane. You driving? Just let whoever that was, let me know. I don't want it to be Anon, okay? Know anything on Zilliqa? It's been pumping really hard lately. Not really much anymore. Yeah, George Soros tip, right? Hey, Crypto Rot, man. No, you're the Jesus, man. Stop talking about yourself, man. I mean, look. People are asking about selling here. Look, it is the weekend. There's no volume in your critical resistance area, and you're testing the 200 MA. You just had a death cross. This is a critical area of resistance. You not only have the 200 MA, you also have the downward sloping trend line. Okay, of this downward sloping channel / falling wedge pattern. Okay, these are areas to at least move your stop losses up. You don't have to sell, just move your stop loss up if you're scared. Therefore, you're not getting out of your position in case you hit the windfall and break to the upside. And if you move down and tank or whatever, you get stopped out, no big deal. You don't have to sell, you just move your stop loss up so you don't have to worry about it. And you're sacrificing a little bit of profit for the opportunity to maybe break to the upside. That's it. That's the strategy you could probably go with. One could if they wanted to, all right? Hope that helps. Hope that helps. Do we not know who the Anon was? Did they not want to tell us for real? Jeez, man. Seriously mysterious. Babies, I hope I helped at least. Let me know. One more for the road. That's right, man. That's right. Initiate pullback trade via stop loss. Anytime, MBs. Thanks for being here. Hey, Exposed. What'd you miss? Just several coins. TRX, RDD, VEN, Nebel, EOS, and 5 fantastic people. Maybe 4. I'm not sure. Big Hoyts, Rob, Trucking Crypto, Lord Awesomeness, and Anon are unbelievable freaking people. I can't believe it. Cannot believe it. Surprising. I'm very surprised. It's just been like, hate weekends, man. I mean, like, not, you know, for my own reasons. Hey, look at the Zill right there. Falling wedge. You broke out of the falling wedge. Great. And though you broke out of the falling wedge, though, you're above your 20, but you're below your 50. The 50 will be used soon as a critical level of resistance. Most time I see these coins break down like that, they have serious issues breaking above that 50 MA. Okay. Oh, it was you. Okay. All right, dude. Trucking Crypto, man. You serious, dude? $200 from Trucking Crypto, man. Top Jesus of the evening. I can't believe that, man. I just can't believe I'm getting contributions like this tonight. Thanks, man. A lot, dude. It means everything. Hey, Daniel. Kearney, man. Yeah, we can put ETC on the list, man. No problem. Thanks for being here, man.
Lawrence Ward tipped $100.
Is that $300? Seriously, man? $300? Oh my god, man.
Bobby Miller tipped $17.86 just because.
Dude, Bobby Miller and freaking Trucking Crypto, $17.86. And then another 100, man. $300. Can someone back me up and make sure I'm right on my math here? $300 from Trucking Crypto. Man, thank y'all so much. Big surprise I've had today. I wouldn't talk about a tip war. Trucking Crypto is competing against himself. He's being Tiger Woods back in the 90s, just competing against himself. So, wow, man. Trucking Crypto, I don't even know what to say, man. Seriously, don't. I'm indebted to you and very grateful. Very grateful, Bobby, Lord Awesomeness, Trucking Crypto, Rob, and Big Hoyts, man. Y'all are unbelievable. Bobby's the only, I think the only one who's not, like, newer contributing. That's, truly humbling. My goodness. Thank y'all. Very nice, guys. So with Zill, You know, you'd think the measured move would be, I think we already did it, alright? Pretty large pattern. 711 from the breakout. There we go, a little off. Just a little. 2351. There you go, that's the measured move. But again, you're not even close to being out of the woods. We knew something was coming at least at some point. We had that bullish divergence we discussed, right? We had lower lows on candle body closes than your previous lows. And you had almost inexistent levels of negative momentum. So we knew something good was coming. When we had this to talk about, along with the bullish pattern recognition, as well as the bullish divergence on the RSI, you had 3 different pieces of data you could put together to say, hey, making just a guess, we should be breaking to the upside soon. We just don't know how high we'll go. We know some movement up is in the works with all our stuff put together, like baking a cake. Different ingredients put together. So it worked, but again, you're not even breaking your previous candle body close highs, so it's really not that big of a deal, okay? You're still within your equilibrium level in a downtrend. So break above the 50 and your previous candle body closes, and then we'll talk, okay? But for now, it's still not very good. Your lowest low was your most previous low, so that's not that great either. So what's a chair VRO? So that's it. That's Zill. That's what's going on with it. Kind of playing out the way we thought it would at some point, and it did. But again, we're not really going places higher. You know, we're just kind of moved up, but not much. So that's it, man. That's it.
Jeff Grau 58 to $35.34. Brady Bama. Much respect for the Wrench Gang for showing the love.
Hey Jeff Grau, man, thanks so much, dude, for that 35-34. You the real Jesus, man. Really do appreciate you. My football brother, man. Means everything. Yeah, dude, seriously, Wrench Gang. I can't believe y'all. I can't freaking believe y'all. Unbelievable, man. Truly indebted to y'all. Okay, I just hope I'm, able to keep helping y'all and being positive in your life. Okay, that's my goal. And Jeff, man, you're positive in my life. All of y'all are. I can't do anything without y'all. Completely dependent on y'all. So, thank you so much for all the support, love, and kind words. It means everything. Okay. Let's go to Verge. Okay, so Verge, besides the Pornhub pump and dump stuff, we just played it like this. And it looks like we're in a falling wedge, right? Some sort of falling wedge at least, and we'll just keep on falling, do we not? This song's got the blues like crazy. You're below your 20 and your 50, you keep hitting your 200. You had that death cross that occurred on the 25th of April. You've been terrible since then, for the most part anyway, and this could keep on going, lower and lower and lower. You're approaching if you don't use this crap, just use this touch point and this touch point, you're approaching a critical level of resistance right now. Soon, anyway, whatever. Yeah, you got some bullish divergence on the 4 hour. Made a lower low than your previous low with lower levels of negative momentum. Impending price action reversal, but it's not that big of a deal. So at least we should see some pop soon to at least touch the 50, or at least touch the top trend line here. I can easily see us doing that, running up to touch that, probably to fail to break down again. So wouldn't be the craziest thing I've seen. And we also, of course, have consistent levels of bullish divergence on the RSI. So you got the bullish pattern, you got the Oscillators both telling us impending price action reversal. So again, seeing this level up here, if we don't see it, I'll be surprised. If we do not see a move up to touch this, I'll be surprised. Okay? But that doesn't mean you're awesome or anything. It still means you're crap. Thanks, Lord Awesomeness, man. Thanks again, dude, for your contribution, man. What's up, Stuart, man? Bitcoin's 50-day moving average to curve upward slightly. And then you said cap it, Shobo. Maybe there's Kappas for everybody. Alright, there's Verge. Not much more to talk about. Let's look at Lind for our financial peoples. Well, you had a nice little trend that you broke. You broke out of it bearishly, and you're pretty much at critical levels of support. Looking left. Candle body clay, you're actually below it. Okay, you're below those levels, but actually on this one, you're above it. You had a support here and a support here. You broke this one, but you're above this one. You're within kind of some zone, some support zone. Right here and here. Okay, that's a little support zone that you got going. You're in between it. If you fall below this, it's really bad. I mean, this coin not doing good things at all. I mean, normally when you run up like this, you're not supposed to come across resistance and fail. You're supposed to keep running all the way up to these areas. You didn't even do that. You had, look how far away you are. This is terrible. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know. I have no idea. Nothing's happening. Nothing's happening that's making... There's no reason for this at all. Just add it on. Just throw it on the, you know, throw it on the pile of stupid crap. Good God, man. I upgraded my internet, my PC. I upgraded everything. Everything. And it doesn't matter. Because you just get these... It goes to 0 megabytes per second, and then comes back just enough to turn me off, you know, turn my stream off. So whatever, man. Nothing went offline. Nothing. Absolutely nothing went offline. I can't complain to anybody. Again, there's no one to complain to. What do I tell them? Yeah, my internet goes off for literally 3 seconds and comes right back on. They're going to say, go screw yourself, we don't care. That's what I'm going to get if I call Charter. Oh my God, man. Just like, whatever. Lens below the 20 and the 50. Terrible. Bearish. Very, very bearish. Everything about this is bearish right now, okay? Everything is bearish. Don't think it's not. Check my frequency. What do you mean, Josh L? What does that mean? Faulty router? Well, probably so, Winston. I mean, I just got it replaced like 3 weeks ago. Go figure, right? Yeah, it probably is because I'm in Alabama. Alabama's crap. It's a crap state. It truly is. No storms around, Selecki. None. None. We've had it 4 times happen before in a day. I have no idea. Don't care anymore. I don't even care. Get the holy water and give it a sprinkle. Yeah, man. Or just get a hammer. Same thing. Chip. Directly, Ryzen. Directly connected. Well, they got a raise in my bill by making me upgrade to 20 megabytes per second, and they're still garbage. That's right, Dan. What am I going to do? What are you going to do? Oh no, Alabama football's incredible. It's the Jesus man, but the state of Alabama's trash. He's not from Alabama, so why would he care what I say about the state of Alabama? I'm from here, I can say that. I don't know, Josh. I don't know what it is. Just getting through chat. I have no idea, Stuart. No idea. I don't know the law. I don't think so. Yeah, must have packet loss my internet provider. Go figure. They said they fixed that. I had an issue for multiple days where I couldn't even stream because they had packet losses because it was screwed up. It seems like it's still an issue. No, dude, Winston, I don't lose my Wi-Fi at all. I don't lose internet on my computer. It literally just, the stream stops. It just goes to 0 kilobytes per second for no reason. And I hit F5 on my route or on my other monitors to see if it's out. Nope, it just goes to another like real quick, very fast speed. Just randomly just goes out though for some reason on stream. No idea. Fort McClellan, yeah, man, that's out there in Anniston. Alright, anyway, let's just try to move on before we get shut down again. ADA. Just dead coin, not doing anything at all. It's below critical level of support. Geez, it hasn't moved at all. Okay, you had your ascending trend line, the initial, it was the beginning, it was a sim triangle. We just moved that trend line up, ran it up here, we hit it twice, and then we just scrubbed out. Now we're below it, just floating along, using the 20 as resistance. Can't even do anything, no volume at all. No one's playing this coin, only robots. Who cares? Welcome back, Shelly. So B-Slice. Nice, dude. Glad ACT broke out. Hope you were in it if it did, man. Make that money, man. Over ADA. I mean, you had bullish divergence, but just trash. Just a trash coin. Just not doing anything. It's just holding these levels, kind of. Probably will come down to that 2863 area soon. As you can see, looking left, you're holding this area, but I would not be surprised at all if you came down to test the 2722 area at some point. This low volume, you could just keep on crapping out. No one cares. No one's going to buy it. It's just going to keep on bleeding out. We'll see. Wait and see. Bullish divergence, multiple areas. Doesn't matter. Just dead. I mean, that's some of the lowest volume you've ever seen. You haven't seen volume this low since back here when you're just completely bleeding out for very long months. Many months. Terrible. It's ADA. Let's go to BNB. Check out BNB to BTC. Correcting, definitely. Look, when you make moves up like this, okay? When you run up like that, you normally get exhausted, okay? Look left. When you hit critical levels of resistance after such a long, tremendous run like that, you're gonna have serious issues breaking above that and holding above it, okay? So even if we said last night, we were running up like that, and we're like, we don't like that upward sloping flag crap, screw that. We'll see maybe if we're, you know, we got some sort of bear pull, bear flag, or bull pull, bull flag, excuse me. So used to saying bear flag. Maybe you could say that's going on. We'll see. But holding above the 20, which is great. You just had a, guess what? You just had a golden cross. Golden cross, that's right. You know what that means? You know, the last time you had a golden cross? Back here, 16th of March. This is when you had a golden cross. You ran up just like you did yesterday. And look what you did. You broke down. It was nasty. But then from there, who cares? Golden cross ran up again. So don't even worry about this. Don't worry about it. That's great. Beautiful fanning action. Your faster scale MA, intermediate scale MAs are starting to diverge away from your slower scale MA. Okay, and they crossed over bullishly. That's beautiful. That's what you want to see. Okay. Even on the run up, we hit 87 on the RSI. That's crazy, man. That's freaking crazy. Hold that 20, break at the upside. Be nice. Nothing more to talk about. Fantastic on BNB coin. It was a matter of time. Thank God. Love it. I just forgot about it. Left it alone. Knew I would be rewarded holding a coin with intrinsic value like BNB, some of the highest intrinsic value of any coin that exists in the cryptocurrency market. I knew I'd be rewarded, and there you go, popped. That's not all it's gonna do. It's probably gonna keep popping at some point soon, as it should. It deserves to. Coins that, or anything that makes money, should be rewarded. The coin holders should be rewarded for being invested in it. Okay. Is chat dead? I guess. Yeah, chat's dead. That's cool, man. Okay, there's BNB. Great. And a BCH. Correction method. There you go, man. Correction mode. Big correction mode. I mean, upward sloping flag crap. We called it.
Remlog tip $10. Thanks for the TA on BNB. Much love, brother.
Hey, Remlog, man. Thanks for the $10 contribution, man. You did real Jesus, dude. Really do appreciate you, man. Thanks for being here. Thanks for giving me all your support, man. It means everything, dude. Truly, thank you, man. Thank all y'all. Y'all are unbelievable. So, you got issues, right? Big issues with BCH. You ran up, and as we said, when you run up and you go with the trend while you consolidate, expect terrible things to happen. Look what you've done. You broke a trend, and now you're just going on down. You fell below the 200 MA. Always terrible to see that. You're below the 20. You're using the 20 and the 200 as resistances. 50 soon will be crossing over bearishly. That 200, that's a death cross. Not good. Yeah, of course. Yeah, you had bullish divergence. Congratulations. They made a low on price. Lower low. Lower low again. Triple MACD, bullish divergence. Great. You're popping because of that. Now what? What are you going to keep going? Good luck. You got to break your previous high. That's way up here. Not going to work. Not going to happen. Looks like it's time for your local on the 8s. Let's go to Bitcoin. Before our candle closed. Oh my God, you're somehow outside of the, well, maybe not. I don't know. You're not. See? Trendline touch here and here. Okay, make an adjustment. You're not. You're still right outside, right inside of the wedge. Sorry, man. I just don't. You're not gonna break out. If you do break out truly on Bitcoin, midnight in the West. You better do it on stupid levels of volume. That means people are working overtime. Someone's getting paid stupid money to do this on the weekend. Okay, but we knew something was going to happen with the bullish divergence we kept getting all over the place, everywhere. Popped up, touched this 50 MA and fell, used it as resistance and couldn't hold at all. Back down, holding the 20 though, which is interesting to see. Holding that 20, but again, you're just within your equilibrium level. Okay, it's still bearish, in my opinion, still bearish. Thanks, Anthony. Hey, Texas sports fan, man. Thanks for the 200 bits, man. Really appreciate you, man. What's up, Driz T, man? Straya. They didn't have stops. How cute. What's up, Iconic, the group, man? Thanks for being here. You want Vin? Yeah, man. Vin was, We already did Vin, didn't we? Could someone back me up that we did Vin already? All you have to do is rewind, man. Hey, Ibbies, thanks so much for the sub on YouTube. You wrote Jesus, man. Appreciate you.
Anonymous tip $10.
Hey, Anon, whoever you are, Anon, thank you so much for that $10 contribution. You did real Jesus, man. Really do appreciate you, man. Couldn't do without you. And hope you made a mistake. And just let me know who you are if you want to be acknowledged. Would love to. Hey, Elevate Bitcoin. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for being here. Okay, so nothing really's changed with Bitcoin besides the 4-hour candle close, and it seems like just making sure we have pinpoint accurate touch points. We're still within this wedge pattern, which makes sense. If we're outside of it, I don't like it. I'm skeptical. Volume is abysmal. It's literally inexistent. There's no one trading this coin right now. No one at all. Dead coin right now. Makes sense though. It normally always is at this time during this day. Couldn't do it. Strong levels of resistance, right? That's why it's a rectangle. We knew this would be tough. We ran up, we wicked off, and closed below it. That's what you do, man. That's what you do. But it looks like you're accumulating. That's nice to see. We'll see if we can pop. We need some volume to do that, and it's just hard doing anything at this time during a Saturday night for most of the people in the world. Saturday night or daytime in Asia, right? But in Asia it's a Sunday, and you know, Asians have lives, right? Just like everyone in the world has a life, except me. And yeah, let's see if we can break it on some volume. But good luck. Good luck. Oscillator's not really telling us anything. Okay. Nothing. Big ol' nothing. Seriously. Made a higher high. Actually, yeah. You're actually showing bearish divergence on the RSI, believe it or not. That's weird. Okay, so you made a higher high on price right now, and you had a candle body close higher, and when you had this high on price, this is a higher high, so you're making lower levels of relative strength. You do have bearish divergence on your RSI right now. That's what it's telling us. So that's kind of bad. That's not good to see. This oscillator's not telling us anything, the MACD. So anyway, see what you can do. Nothing's changed. XRP, I'm sure nothing did anything. Oh yeah, terrible, man. Just so weak, and no one's playing the coin. You ran up and just completely wicked off the 50, 20, and heart line. Used all three as resistance points and closed below all three. Scrub coin. Falling wedge pattern, you broke out of it. Had two nice impulses up, and now you're consolidating off that. So that's kind of bullish consolidation, especially with the breakout. So hopefully at some point we can see some volume and break to the upside. That'd be nice. That's right, don't put that on me, Ricky Bobby. Thank y'all for the kind words. Means a lot, seriously. Y'all make things better. Yeah, nothing on the oscillator, and nothing really on the RSI at all.
Open tip $20. Go to bed what you got. Wake up and smell the finger.
Hey Opie man, Opie F and Taylor dude. Dude, thanks so much for that $20 contribution. Go to bed with an itchy butt. I don't even know what that means, man. Don't even know what that means, man.
Iconic the group tipped $5. Dent coin.
Hey Iconic man, thanks so much for the $5 contribution, man. GG's, man. Yeah, dude, we'll try to look at Dent coin, man. If it's on TradingView, for sure, man. DENT, we'll try, man. Do everything we can, dude. Thanks for that, man. Thank y'all, all y'all. Iconic, Opie, Big Hoyts, Rob, Truckin' Crypto, Lord Awesomeness, Bobby Miller, Jeff, Rimlog, Anon. Y'all are all the Jesus, man. Thank y'all. Linda coin, what about Yanny coin? Yanny coin? We'll try to look DENT. DENT. It's not there, man. It's just not there. I can't do DENT. I'm sorry, man. I just can't do it. Dent will soon $1. So Wealth Unit says Dent will soon $1. I don't know what that means. Soon be $1. Soon give $1. Soon take $1. The Wealth Unit. What does that mean? What do I do for fun besides TA? I don't even know anymore. I don't really do anything for fun anymore. Besides TA. I started creating content in February. And I don't really do anything besides TA. I like wake up, scan charts, eat breakfast or whatever, and look at the stock market some, and check my portfolio, and then just kind of get ready for stream in the day and do the stream, and then do one-on-ones or trade setups or static videos, and I eat dinner, do some chores, study some charts again, and then I start streaming again at night. So that's why I hate the weekends. That's why I do not like the weekends, because it's just like a reminder that I don't have a life. But it's all good, man. Or Elevate Bitcoin. What do you do for fun besides TA? Tim was gonna make us kings. What do I think about quantum? I don't know, man. I can put it on the list. It's on the list. Let's look at it. We'll take a look at it. I wouldn't say day trade per se, but swing trade, yes. I've been swing trading for years. My Tronics video, I looked burnt out. On the Tronics video? Really? Do y'all think that I look burnt out on the Tronics video? I feel like I was pretty good last night on the stream. Thanks, Ben. Benjamin. Maybe he just wants BTS. We can put it on the list. Alright, it's on the list. Elevate Bitcoin loves the slots and cooking. You're a mortgage broker by day, but want to leave it to get into trading. You're a noob. It's okay. Everyone has to start somewhere. Elevate Bitcoin. Jeff is taking care of the social weekend life for us all. For all of us. Yeah, really. Seriously. Seriously. Thanks, Winston. Do forgive me, okay? Do forgive me. No one's perfect, okay? And, you know, I do this 7 days a week, so... I mean, I guess I could go get a beer to finish what I had. It'll go bad anyway, because it's in a growler, so... Just let me know if I should finish the beer that I started. Well, you know, talking about the growler that I got full of that beer, my favorite beer. Probably should. I know I'm being a drag. Sorry about being a drag. But I didn't know really people cared so much how I was as long as I did their coins, right? Took care of did a coin analysis for them. They were happy. You've actually cooked for Julia Child. Julia Child? It's pretty sweet. Dang, man. Rest in peace, Julia Child. Thanks to Don, man. Means a lot. Well, I'm not trying to be a drag, Driz. You feel the way you feel. Surely, TR. Surely, men. I don't think so, Anthony. Go ahead and make one. Jeez. Sorry to hear that, Elevate Bitcoin. Dang. Oh, it's Treya, Crypto Tyga. Hope you're doing well. Well, if your dog likes me, then everything's well. Lord Osmus broke the seal. He's in for it. He's screwed. Yeah, Rain Man, right? It's doing the same thing a lot of the other coins are doing right now. They've all fallen out of those channels, but they're somehow holding on for dear life. ETC is no different. Jeez. Lawrence, man, don't even think about it, man. If you're trading crypto, man, you've given me $300 tonight, man. I mean, like, dude, you don't have to, you know, throw me cash, man. No, I'm just happy that y'all care to show up to watch me do TA on the weekend, man. And women. Appreciate y'all. You drinking Grey Goose, man? That's a heck of a vodka, man. I used to drink the crap out of that in college. A lot. Loved Grey Goose. Well, I mean, you know, I use it for special occasions. In Phoenix, man, it's hot down there, I'm sure. Good God. Have a stripper come over. Pfft. GG, that's right, Anthony. GG no re, man. Stripper snipers. So with Ethereum Classic, eventually you need to start making higher highs. I mean, you're making higher lows, which is good, but this extends on. If you can get over your 200, get back into the channel, you should be fine, but if this kind of just floats along the bottom like this, eventually it might just break down to the downside. But I've seen it where these things, they extend on for a while and they break to the upside. So you just gotta wait and see. Thanks, Crypto Farmer. You have a plane. We have it, Shelby County Airport, Jeff. Shelby County Airport. It's like 7 miles away from me. There you go, man. You having a nice strong coffee? Just woke up. Oh, I love that. Love drinking coffee in the morning, man. Nothing like it. No, y'all are. Y'all are making me laugh. Y'all are making me feel good, man. Men's, women's. Yeah, look, I mean, I owe it to y'all. I'll go get that beer, okay? If y'all stick around, I'll go get the beer. And, is that fair? Y'all stick around, I'll go get the beer? Is that a deal? I mean, you know, I'm sure multiple people will leave. It doesn't matter. No one cares, but I can definitely do that. Stuart says, psychologists say sociopaths start off torturing animals and do not get along with them. That sounds scary, man. Thanks, David, man. Means a lot, dude. Yeah, right. Scoop me up from an airport in 4 hours. That reminds me of one time I was a kid. And one of my friends had a birthday, and I got picked up in a limo, and we did like a kid limo thing. I don't even know. I can't even remember, but I just remember the limo picking me up at my house, and I'm like, what? What's going on with this? It's like, it's your friend's birthday party. We were like really young, like really, really young. That's what it'd be like. It'd be like IRL adult limo pickup party. This is my snake handler. Double IPA. Love getting wasted with the stream, says B-Slice. Let's do it, man. That's right. One time at band camp. One time at Kappa camp. Alright, so I'm gonna go run down there in my kitchen and get that beer. Do I ever do silver? That sounds gross and painful. Dave Jones. Alright. I'll be right back. Hello? Is anyone there? John Wayne Jesus? Is that you? Someone said put the lotion in the bucket. Gross. Just gonna scroll up real quick. Why is everyone talking about cannibals and Hannibals and sociopaths and killers? What's going on? Can we like talk about what is this? What is ADS to EET? You think I'm kidding? Buddy is trying to get a hold of the pilot. Mission Control, can Mitch come out and play? Mission Control has no power here. When it comes to jets and planes and airports, you kidding me, dude? Dude, let's go, man. Come on over. Come fly to Shelby County Airport, Birmingham, Alabama. I'll be there in a minute. I will hack. I will make sure Mission Control gives me the password to Hyped on Crypto's Periscope, and then I will go live from the airplane, and we can do a real live stream with Hyped on Crypto. How's that sound? That'd be nuts, wouldn't it? Let's try to elevate Bitcoin. No one knows about crypto. My God, no one knows about crypto. Everyone's like, what's crypto, man? What's crypto? It's like, really? What's crypto? I'll show you crypto. Pull his pants down. You been waiting for us? Sorry about that, man. Age shout out. Lawrence, I'm 30. What are you, Lawrence? Anthony is Richard Pryor, years old. Do you still hear the TA at night? Oh yeah, man, always. I literally, when my eyes close, charts, candlesticks everywhere. Open them, they're not there. When I close, candlesticks everywhere. So when I blink, it's like candlestick, candlestick, candlestick. PTSD for candles. Hey, I get no respect, Anthony Rodney Dangerfield, man. No respect. Please, take my wife. Minicap is about that. Nope, yes, no. What is this? 21 questions? Just scrolling through chat, we're almost done. Uncle Gus and Aunt Bunny. I love it when Matt Damon and the Independence Day aliens play music, but we have to get rid of Will Smith somehow. What's up, Didum? Good morning, dude. Hope you had some a wholesome breakfast, Didum, not Cheerios or something. What's up, Lord Awesomest? You to Jesus, man. Stop talking about yourself. It's either crashing or fixing, depending on if it's red or green. He knows what's up. Heck yeah, Frantic Rock. God, I hope so, B-Slice. That would be insane. What beer do I got? What did I get? Snake Handler from a growler. I had to travel many miles yesterday to get it because they don't can it. Well, they do, but like once a year or twice a year. It's crazy. They play the whole... Y'all seen that South Park where they have Cartman Land and it's like you can't come in? Like, we're not taking new customers. Only one person can join the park at a time. That's the Snake Handler beer. They're like, oh, I'm sorry. We're selling it, but we're not selling it. You can't join. You can't drink it. What does Kappas mean when you say it? What does Kappa mean? Kappa? Kappa, Kappa, Kappa? FAA airport codes from Addison Airport to Shelby County. Your airport closes from midnight. What? Well, it's 11:30 my time. Might have to Con Air land it. What is Con Air? The Atlantic City Hotel. You booked for about 2 weeks. Taking a mini vacation because you got friends over here. Oh, that's not Atlantic City. I'm dumb. I'm real dumb, man. What's that? Just music. You know how it is, man. You know how it is. Wow, it's 11:30. What in the world, man? Rodney and Caddyshack. Yes, sir. King Logan speaks like the Jesus man. The Jesus chimes. Adam Sandler. I want to be I'm trying to be the Adam Sandler of TA. All the stupid professional TAs, right? They're all so smart and so holier than thou. They're so smart, man. You don't know anything. You can never learn anything. No, wrong. All the Shooter McGavins, everyone that does TA is Shooter McGavin. I'm gonna be Happy Gilmore. It's pathetic, Jeff. Stupid. Birmingham, just a joke, man. The big three, a jump start. Okay, 3, 2, 1. It's done, Stuart. They've been given a jump start. It's over. Nicolas Cage. Got a little wasted last night, trolled. Hey, I trolled too, man. Back to school. To a show. My dad, I'm not a fool. Right, Stuart? God. All the carbonation's gone, kind of. Oh, man, it's tough, dude. Powerful, powerful flavor. Okay, etc. Yes, get etc. coined. Get screwed, man. Quantum quidum quantum. Here you go, Rodney Dangerfield's coin right here. No respect, man. Hey, you broke out, man. You somehow broke out. This is probably a channel. Maybe you did, maybe you didn't. Let's see, man. Let's get rid of this real quick. Let's just see how this goes. Hear me out. Just hear me out. Okay, you're sleepwalking out again, man. Higher low than your previous low. Congratulations, that's great. Good to see. But really, oh my god, like all these other scrub coins on the 4 hour, they're all below the 50 MA. They can't break above it because they're terrible and there's no volume because no one's playing the market right now. They're all trying to get to the private airports, but all the airports are closed because they're screwed. That's right, it's not going to kill you. You watched Dodgeball last night because of the stream? Well, isn't that convenient for you, Colby, and the clock? It's inverse happy tonight, man. I've been a grumpy mother effer, but please, don't hold it against me, man. Okay? Weekends are rough, man. Just cuz. It's like, it's like a just ugly reminder. It's like streaming is amazing, but the interaction you have with your community and society, it goes away. Like, I don't have relationships much anymore. In the life I used to have, when I was very active in the community, I was in politics, right? Like, you just hang them up. You just hang it all up. And when you do content creation since the beginning of February, and that's all you do with trading, you know, you do trading, static videos, and live streams, and occasional education courses and one-on-ones. That's all you do, man. Like, the relationships from your life, from what you had before you started doing it, they suffer. Look, a relationship, if you're not building a relationship, it is deteriorating. There is no such thing as a static relationship. They're always being built or they're always dying at all times. So remember that. Okay, if you got a friend, just know, like, if you're not keeping up with them, talking to them, that relationship's deteriorating. Okay, may not be that fast or that bad, but the more time that goes by that you don't converse with that person or talk with them or keep up with them, the faster that relationship's going to suffer and die. And so I'm feeling, though I am living the dream right now in like what I want to do, but I didn't know there would be other there'd be like adverse effects, consequences, and I think there's always going to be that kind of stuff you go through. So when you make changes in your life, right, big changes. So this is all new to me. This is all very new to me. I mean, the only thing that's not new is the trading part, but the whole content creation, streaming stuff, doing this for a living, doing it for, my life, that is new. And so I'm having, y'all are witnessing changes in my life that are happening in real time. Okay, so I'm just being candid with y'all. I'm being like straight up, just talking to y'all. Who the heck else do I have to talk to about it? That was Billy Madison. Thanks, Drew, man. No Kappas. You trolled another TA guy last night? He didn't know he was getting trolled and liked all your comments. Get wrecked, man. Get freaking wrecked. Hey Logan, man. Dude, thanks so much for the $8.88. King Logan, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks, dude. No, I mean, like, look, it was such an easy transition to do this because it was like, yeah, I was helping and changing lives in my own community for so long, and being able to do this is like an unlimited way of being able to change way more lives. I'm very limited on the amount of lives I can affect positively with what I did locally, but now that I have this tool, the internet, I can help people all around the world when I could only help people locally before. What a joke. Empty milk bottle ready? No, I have a diaper on exposed. I went the other route. Okay, it was actually a more efficient route. Okay. An office in the tech village. What kind of overhead would that be, man? Who needs a freaking office? I have an office. It's the Jesus office, man. The battle station. But yeah, no, I need a city, so I have more options in terms of social life. My God. My social life is literally dead. I mean, it's so dead, man. I've never had a dead social life until 3 months ago. But it's okay. It's fine. It's just a transition in life. Cheers, Big Hoyts, man. Hey, dude, thanks again, man, for that contribution. Thanks, man. You feel me, dog? Talladega Nights, best movie. It's Talladega, man. Talladega. Diet Bud is expensive. Natty Light is $11 for an 18-pack. Okay, man. $400 a month, you can get a desk. Well, my goodness, a desk? Let's do it, man. All in. Burton wants GVT. A reminder like how birthdays are a countdown. What does that mean, Burton? GVT on the list. Okay, Quantum, you see it? Kind of walked out of a downward sloping channel, but ultimately inside of a huge channel. Good areas of value down here. We didn't even hit it. Let's see if we will at some point. Maybe we should bleed out. Derp. Come on down. I mean, so keep your eye on it. It's one to keep your eye on with Quantum because it's kind of moving outside of a little miniature trend we had. So that's good. Okay. Overall, you broke out of a huge downward, really a downward channel and a wedge pattern. Broke out of it. You didn't really do much with it. You could never break consistent higher highs, higher lows, right? You could never break your previous highs at all. You just kind of scrub coined out like you should because you're a scrub coin. Quantum was going to be kings, man. It was going to be kings. Oh my God, man. Somebody told me about the kings and Quantum. Quantum would probably be like a squid beanie baby, right? Like an octopus. Yeah, man. Thanks, Winston, man. No, I have, Dristy. I feel very humbled to be able, I mean, that I've got people that actually want to, you know, hang out and talk and do TA, you know. O&T, possible uptrend. We can look at O&T, put it on the list. Smud, thanks for being here, man. Mafia kickbacks and bribes may be how you do business, but it is not how we do business in the classroom, Mr. Mellon. Oh my god, really? Our airport closes at midnight? What a joke, man. What kind of real airport closes at midnight? What self-respecting southerner has instant grits, Jeff? Well, you get to see me, Crypto Deed, at least, man. It's true, Meaty Jones. It's true, man. Well, thanks, Lord Awesomeness, man. You're real. You're not fake either, dude. You Jesus, man. Let's choose a place for our business. Let's do it, man. Where are we going? Goodness gracious, Benjamin. Well, I'm glad I was able to positively affect your love life. I think. Guess. No, Opie, man. Stop talking about yourself. You the man, dude. Fantasyland? Where's that? Where's that, man? Why would I sacrifice my life for this? Because the life I had was... I didn't get much... I mean, I was getting some fulfillment, I guess, but something happened to where I just didn't have the passion. I ran out. I completely burned out, and it was kind of stuff that happened that I just didn't want to do anymore. I gave up on it. You just can't fly places in the middle of the night? What? Only Vegas. Wow. How? And you just learned this. Now everyone in the chat knows that, hey guys and gals, you literally just can't fly places. We need flying cars. We have them. I know they exist, but dude, it was both, man. Jeff, it was both sides. They both suck, man. Don't worry about it. Let's piss off both sides. You get voted for every day this way as well. What do you mean, Dan? Baloney. King Logan's talking about baloney. No self-respecting king talks about baloney, man. It's literally everybody's fault ever. Okay. Thanks, Al Qaeda. Oh my god, did we offend somebody? We only have 100 years if we're lucky. On Earth? What are you talking about, man? Apparently they won't turn on the lights for you to land, says the pilot. I think he's lying. Is he trying to be like the weatherman who's like, yeah, it's going to be raining tomorrow, so he can have the golf course to himself? We need to get Al Borland out of Birmingham. My god. Yeah, well, he's going to be pretty pissed off when he sees my ugly mug get on the plane, right? Oh, you still playing the Bullish Divergence drinking game, Lord Awesomeness? Dude, I thought that ended at, you know, when we got off after... How many hours last night? We went like 3 hours last night. We went 4:20 the night before. My god. Is everyone pissed off that I'm just reading chat? I'm trying to get through it, but it's too engaging. And people... Look, we've gone through almost all the coins. Like, dude, Tronics, Redcoin, Vin, Nebel, EOS, Zill, XVG, Lind, ADA, Bed and Breakfast Coin, BCH, ETC, Quantum, Quidum, Quantum. Okay? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, multiple 6 times. Total. Of those 3. Total. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right? So, I mean, and we tried to do Dent. I've got like 3 more requested coins, and it's like, is anyone mad that I went through all the requests and now I'm just hanging out with chat? Is anyone mad about that? There's the octopus. It's the quantum. B slices. Favorite Beanie Baby. My god, man. Mobile has a decent airport. I guess, man. Old English, Hector? What do you mean, Old English, man? You just saying random things, man? What's a jet eye? Crypto farmer, a jet eye? Is that like a... You make it a pun with Jeff? Jet eye, get it? Because you're jetting, flying. An international airport will not. Does that mean I need to live in Atlanta so I can fly out whenever I want? Evidently, Jeff's saying that the pilot's saying you can't fly whenever you want. This is not America, evidently. This is fake America. Inverse America coin. All those beers are poison, says the wealth unit. What do you mean? Which beers, wealth unit? MK Honey in the house, man. To BitLord Jesus, man. MK Honey's contributed over 140,000 bits. Where you at? Roll out the red carpet for MK Honey, ladies and gentlemen. What, Anthony? Jeez, man. Bert, man, nothing wrong with making a good living, man. Working hard, dude, every day in, day out. You need to find an international airport if you want 24/7. Even then, the city has to be large. So Atlanta or Nashville, right? Not Birmingham. Birmingham's a joke, dude. Like a joke when it comes to big city, man. Benjamin's been a man for 43 years. He's about ready to quit. Are you going to become... What are you going to become, man? You can be a dinosaur if you want. Do you want to be a dinosaur when you grow up, Benjamin? I always wanted to be a dinosaur when I grew up, man. Kappa. Or not Kappa. Maybe not. Maybe I was real, man. Maybe it was real. Oh my god, dude. Sorry, I just like hit the home page and it's like royal wedding everywhere. Give me a break, man. Give me a break. Just land on a freeway, Con Air style, or land in a cave. Let's do it, man. King Logan, you got my back, dude. Bullish divergence, divergence, divergence. Come on, B-Slice. Chug. Cheers, brother, man. MK. Hope you're having a good evening, man. Better than mine. No, TR. Nope. BTS is literally the next coin, though. Crazy enough. Let's go to it right now, man. But you said BTS to BNB or just BTS? And you missed BNB, but BTS you did not miss. BitShares. Man, we just never got down there. We just never found it. Jeez. Strong coin, man. Real strong coin. This was one of our first Patreons. Look back. You're still making bearish triple MACD bearish divergence. This should come down soon. No doubt, man. This is terrible. Every time you make a high on price, you make a higher high with lower levels of positive momentum. 3 times now, thrice. Impending price action reversal, you should see lower prices. That's why we say wait for it to come to us. If it doesn't, who cares? Move on to the next coin. Keep on scanning. But this tells us we'll see it lower prices soon. Okay? You'd be completely contradicting the TA if you didn't break down to lower prices, okay? Hey, crypto news, Matt Beasley, new video. According to my notifications, did y'all get that? Just saying, crypto news, Matt Beasley. Check him out. Hit that sub button, that bell, that... Sorry, not doing that right. Hit the sub and the bell. I'm gonna say hit the like button. That doesn't make sense. Benjamin says, that's actually amazing. I have a twin 10-year-old daughters and they call you a dinosaur. Next level freakiness, bro. Got you. I'm in your mind, man. I'm in your mind. That's gross, OP, man. Boone strawberry. Gross, man. My best bet is to call the largest city near you and find which airport has the largest airstrip for small planes and puddle jumpers. You're on a small plane, right? I'm assuming. I don't know. Jeff would know, Stuart. What's my birthday? October. October 17th. Who cares? Someone was like, you know, Mission Control at one time was like, don't give out your birthday. What does that do, man? I've never had a security question be, what's my birthday? Never. Ever. No doxing? I don't understand. What, if someone knows my birthday, how are they doxing me? What are they doing? I just don't get it, man. You already know, like, my first and last name. You know where I live, pretty much. And who cares about my birthday? I'm not gonna be like Crypto Nick, man. He was like able to get away with all his scamming and frauds because like no one knew his last name. What a joke, man. What a scrub. Matt Beasley's the mon. Yes, he is. The Jesus man. Nah, they can just teleport. Scorpios. Heck yeah, David. Cheers, brother. Call Tom Brady. He'll get the airport to open. Oh, he sure will. He sure freaking will, man. Man. It's rough, man. Alright, BTS. Again, as we said, you don't have a true pattern going on right now. Not at all. Okay, you're showing bearish divergence on your MACD, stupidly low levels of volume. It keeps just falling off. At some point, you should break down, and we're hoping to see it down here. That'd be great. That's it, BTS. I hope that helps, man. They will think it's a joke and hang up. There's got to be a way. Be like, no, I am so-and-so, so-and-so. I'm his agent. This is not a joke. I swear I will have you fired if you think this is a joke. We're not kidding here. And you start blurting out a bunch of names of people that you have contacts with, or that Tom Brady would have contacts with. Okay. Shout out Benjamin. Not a Tom Brady. Yep, FaceTime. Do it, man. Go get a mask. Tom Brady mask, man. Jeez, man. Jeez, man. Libra, I don't know, man. I don't know astrology. Gotta spend time with the wife. Alright, B-Slice, man. Be good, dude.
BTC update for the only details, my lord.
Hey, MK, man. Dude, thanks so much for the 1,500 bits, man. It means everything, dude. You the real Jesus, man. Thanks, Wearable Product, for the follow on Twitter, man. All my other indicators on my phone have been terrible. Oh, God. Yeah, let's. No, I know you said that. Update only. Dude, we'll go. Who cares, man? What is someone gonna do? Someone's gonna just screw this guy. I'm done, man. He's looking at Bitcoin. Screw him. No one's gonna do that. If they do, who cares, right? Who cares, MK, if they do that? So, as you can see right here, MK, man, right? Just getting wrecked. Just not able to break out, right? Just not holding above the 20. But what are you truly doing? You're up here. You hit the top, and you failed. You got rejected. Now you're lower than your previous high. So someone will be like, dude, is that some sort of inverse head and shoulders? I mean, if we break the neckline, which the neckline would be up here at 83.59, come back, that means you're breaking out. Okay. Here's the thing, even if you broke out, you're still below the 50 MA. Give me a break, man. You came up wicked, tested the 50 MA and failed. Who cares? Look at your volume. No one's trading this. Everyone's sleeping. They're sleeping on the Shelby County Airport. A bunch of scrubs, man. Everyone's just sleeping. Oh, man, we can't do it. We can't do it. That's it. So, I know that's probably not that great of an analysis, but yeah, just still within it. Just breaking down, coming up, and can't break previous highs. Which you still... breaking previous highs isn't much of a big deal. I think coming up here to 800, that's the only area I'd feel comfortable with this coin. I don't feel good about this until we see volume on a breakout and break above the 50, and honestly break above the 200 because we failed that. So that's it, man. It's all good, man. It's 5 minutes till. Who cares? That was for you, dude. I don't care. I'm not gonna, look at the clock if you want to see Bitcoin, man. Bullish divergence, though. We had it. We had bullish divergence until we made our move up, right? The bullish divergence was there. Now it played out. That's all we got. This is literally all we got out of it. Now we could break down to 0 if we wanted to. I mean, all this bullish divergence played out with this move up. That's it. Right now, here's the thing: you're making higher lows, but again, it's on no volume, so it doesn't even really count. So we have to wait and see. We have to see if there's a breakout or not, but you're still within your equilibrium level in a downtrend. You know what that means. You come up, you test your 50 MA and fail like a scrub, and then you break down a lower price. You eventually break below the 20 and just come on down and make lower lows. Okay? So just, I know you're in a wedge, but let's just wait. Set an alert up. Set an alert up for 82.90 or something. But it's just dead. There's no one playing this coin except bots. Isn't this America? Greatest stream of all time. What happens? Pilot says too small to land. What? So you're too small to land in international airports that are open 24/7. So small planes cannot literally land in small airports because they close. What a stupid paradox, man. Stupid paradox. It's not the size that matters, it's how you fly it. Exactly. Drink. No woman likes a puddle jumper. It's true, King Logan. It's true, man. Play in the puddles. Gets semi-cold and people disappear. Black monkey anvils, man. Well, it's probably because all the scary animals, like the iracondu, man. Don't get any iracondu near me, man. Those clowns have no sense of humor. I wish it was raining here. 10 p.m. in SoCal. My God, it's midnight here. Boss ... Almost 1 a.m. says Anthony. That's right, man. That's right. Let's go to your local on the 8s. Currently, Bitcoin is at 82.56. Inside a wedge. A falling wedge. No volume. Literally no one's playing this. Robot boys, logo on the 8s, get it. Weather channel, if you don't, where have you been? Where have you been? Okay. Okay, that's it, man. Ethereum to butthole. Bailing again. Bailing it again, right? You got a critical level resistance you're wicking off of for the 3rd time in a row now, okay? That's right, okay. That's right, okay. So 85,448. Gotta break it. If you don't, soon enough, you keep wicking off it like that, failing, you'll eventually break down. Test new levels of support, and you know where they are. The upward sloping trend line of the upward sloping channel. Hello? Is anybody there? Guess everyone quit. Everyone's like, screw this guy, I'm done. Get his beer and screw him. Why is it not doing it, man? What a joke, dude. Come on, man. What? There we go. You didn't quit, Benjamin? You want to stroke the ego of Litecoin? Sure, Dan. LTC on the list. Tell the pilot to try Shelby County Municipal or somewhere where the guy that operates it sleeps nearby. Seriously, man. Seriously. Don't quit on me, CryptoFlex, man. I hope he's trying to fix an iPad. Be careful, man. They'll get you. Cheers, CryptoDeep, man. Cheers, dude. Beer's divergencies. Beer's divergencies. That's right. That's the drunkest drunk ever. Strike first, no mercy. Amen. Amen. Cobra Kai. Cobra Kai. Cobra Kai. Cobra Kai. I loved it, man. I got all those chills when they, you know, ran in like they used to. Remember? Excellent, Anthony. Glad you're here, man. CryptoDeet's fixing a car. Nobody likes a quitter. Broken back, that's me, man. My back is broken. Lord Awesomeness wants PQX on the list. Cobra Kai indeed been jamming.
Lawrence works at $50. DO Jesus.
Dude, Lawrence, man, that's $350 contribution on the night. The top Jesus of the evening. Wow, man. No one's touching that, dude. Wow, Lawrence, man. $350. I can't believe it, man. I can't believe you, dude. It means everything. I just had no idea, man. Thank you so much for coming out of left field this evening and making my night. All of y'all are making my night. I mean, look. Just, you know, I'm just happy that I'm able to be here for y'all, you know, with TA and stuff. If you have questions ever, just feel free to ask them in the chat. All of you, okay? Man, Dragon Crypto, all world, 350 on the evening. Jeff and King Logan getting wrecked. Kappa, just capping. You know I'm gonna be that like that. Whatever, it's just fun. We all have fun. Let's go to the TA. We can't keep dealing with other stuff. What happened? What other stuff? Stuart, what are you talking about, man? You can't deal with Cobra Kai, man? Amen, Benjamin. That's what I did, Benjamin. Listening in makes the day go smoother. CryptoDeep. Really, man? It does? Tuning into this stream makes your day go better. Let me know, or smoother. Same here. I want to see that too, Opie. I hate LaRusso. I hate LaRusso. Such a scrub, man. Lawrence is killing it, Logan. Drink, been hang out, get pie-ad. Get him, JR. Get him, man. How'd you even do that with the exclamation mark? Is that even real? Did you hack our chat, man? Opie, is that some sort of drug, man? Cody? Is that some sort of weird drug, man? Beer paid? Oh, Crypto Deep's fixing hail damage on a Hyundai. Oh my god, man. That has to be a nightmare for anybody in the auto industry, right? It has to be just... Whew. Couldn't imagine trying to fix that crap, man. Wait, we already played that. Give me a sec. Okay. He is the bully, man. I mean, look, you know, besides the whole... I'm not trying to be gross here, but the whole penis billboard thing, that kind of set things off. What the heck is going on, dude? Cheering to you, King Lawrence. Ah, King Lawrence. Or King War, that'd be a pretty sweet name, man. Oh, he's doing the codeine. God, drug and crypto, man. Lawrence, dude, I can't believe you, man. It's so humbling, man. Seriously, it, like, makes me like, ugh. Wow. Truly blessed. Truly blessed to be able to do what I do every day. Okay? It's just the transition of changing has been the tough part, right? And it's just a temporary thing that I'm slowly but surely getting over, okay? And getting through. It's just letting go of old things in life that used to be important aren't anymore. And I'm trying to get through that getting through the transition. It's the toughest part. But with you, all of y'all here supporting me, being awesome, giving me that positive feedback, letting me know I'm being a positive influence in your life, man, and gals, that's it. That truly helps me. So thank y'all. Let's go to, does anyone even care if I skip Ripple? Oh my god, man, he skipped Ripple, dude. What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? He skipped Ripple. We're gonna scream about it. No one cares. I don't think anyone in the chat cares about Ripple. Like $1 US, Coinbase, whatever. Sorry, man. Wow, that's perfect. Look at that. We didn't touch this. This thing is just completely holding within this wedge. For whoever asked, right? It's just falling wedge season. Beautiful wedge, though, right? Beautiful. Dead rat for LaRusso. Yeah, that's right. Let's get him, man. Let's burn his house down. Like he burned Johnny's car. What a scrub. What a scrub move. Hope he's gonna eat a rat. Y'all heard it. We have documentation now. It's written down that he's going to eat a rat. Oh, sorry. The music's loud. Jeez, man. Sorry about that. I forgot I went from like Stevie Ray to like crazy synthwave. Synthwave gets nuts on the, you know, audio. I want Gator Bites. All positive. That's right, Deet. It is. Gator's kind of like chicken. Been jamming. I think everyone left, man. Yeah. I think it's 76 viewers left. Scrubtastic. I covered everyone's coins and they all said screw me. They're out of here, man. There's LTC, falling wedge. Not much more to talk about. Below the 20, the 50, the 200. You had a death cross on the 16th of this month. Nothing more to talk about. Wham bam, thank you, ma'am. What is there to talk about? Critical levels of resistance, highest levels of risk. You're somehow holding off on this candle body close area right here. Candle body close right here. This is a critical level of support. If you can hold this, you might be okay. You might break to the upside, okay? That's it. But it's all based on Bitcoin. Bitcoin tanks, this thing's tanking too. Bitcoin goes to the moon, this thing's going to Saturn, okay? Please don't forget that. Bitcoin owns this coin. Like Sauron owns all the, you know, people who own the rings. There's dwarves and the elves. Well, maybe not the elves. I think the 3 elves rings, the elvish rings were not tied to Sauron. But the dwarven rings and the human rings were tied. And I think what humans had the least tolerance for corruption when it came to that stuff of all the other races in Lord of the Rings. So this one though is like a human. This was like Sauron's and Celebrimbar's first human ring. That scrub human they gave it to. This is Litecoin. Okay? That's it, man. So that's my GBT. Let's go, man. Let's go to GBT. Still in the correction phase. Still in it. Could keep on going. Keep on going down, man. You finally didn't make a... well, you did technically make a lower low. A candle body closed low, right? Sorry, man. You think you're okay? You're not. Just because you double bottom, that does not signify a trend reversal at freaking all. Okay? Don't even think about it. Oh my god, man, we double bottom. We was kings. No, you're not. You're not a king at all. Don't even freaking think about it. You're in a huge downward sloping, or excuse me, a huge falling wedge pattern. Keep on coming, man. You could go extend on here until freaking June, mid-June, okay? When I get my chair. We could still be in this falling wedge when I get my chair, when we get access back to our main YouTube page, okay? Don't even think about it, GBT. We talked about this long ago. If you've been a constant watcher, you know. We said correction time. It's such a long run. We could have a 3-month-long correction. Don't even think I'm kidding. Don't even do it, man. Green egg was like, I think like $1,800 or something. $1,400 to $1,800. I think King Logan, something like that. It's been years. We're here until we pass out or puke. Heck yeah, man. Let's do it, man. Don't bully the elves. They have feelings too. Cuck them good. That's right, man. Anytime, Dan, man. The robot voice is special. Nicer voice as well as it made it special for me. Special ring for you, Dan. Special ring. Magical Jesus hype? That's right, King Logan. We was kings. Is inappropriate? Give me a break, man. Give me a break. My God. Well, JR, man, you should get into forging IMO. If you always wanted to, you don't have much time left on this planet. I'm not saying that not like that. I'm just saying like, no one, if they're even born yesterday, has much time left on this planet because time goes by so fast. JR, follow your dreams, beefcake. Beefcake. That's right, Logan. Wedges everywhere, fractals everywhere. Can't tell me this is not a wedge. No, man, that's not a wedge. Yeah, well, you're not a wedge either. How about that? Did you forge your car, Benjamin? Forge your car, man. Prince Harry trades crypto. Not quite, man. Not quite as, you know, whatever, I'm not him. Did anyone watch that wedding? Did anybody get up and watch the wedding, man? How was it if you did? Let us know. I don't have cable anymore, so I don't know. Custom orders keep you busy, man. I bet, man. Every day is different, I'm sure. Brutus Beefcake? No, I don't remember. I don't remember at all, Benjamin. Tell us more about it. What happened to everybody? Did everyone leave? I think they did, man. We are so screwed. So screwed, man. I can't believe it. Hedge clippers. What? Albo's in the house. She wore a beautiful dress. Kappa. Didn't watch that crap. No Kappas. That's what I'm talking about. You got any favorite WoW sword? Dude, do I have any favorite WoW sword? Are you serious? How could we ever trust the Sword of a Thousand Truths with a noob? How about that, Black Monkey? Is that okay, man? Is that okay? Are we cool, man? Sword of a Thousand Truths. Favorite WoW sword ever. Of all time. Yeah, really. Who wants to watch a wedding of America's old suppressors? Sauron, exactly. Brutus the Barber Beefcake, a wrestler. Was he ever a champion, man? A wrestling champion? Well, you knew I'd say it. Well, you already knew me too well, man. You knew me too well. It was too fun, man. I have the sound bit. I love it. It's like my soundboard. How come we all talk like dudes up in here? Because we're all dudes. And, well, there are ladies. The ladies are just probably living their lives. It's Saturday night. The ladies probably have significant others that won't put up with, you know, their woman watching Crypto TA after dark. You know, we had a girl who's she contributed a lot, and was like always watching and was always very active in the chat and the Patreon and all this stuff. And her boyfriend like made her quit, like legit. Like she like messaged, PM'd me and told me about it. I'm like, wow, okay. Why go pick up something with crazy bolster like that? What are you talking about, Black Monkey? No, you're awesome, Albo. Stop talking about yourself. Everyone's always talking about themselves when they talk about me, man. Stop. Kappa. They're camming. Cooking good, they're camming. Cat kitten. Can someone tell me about the... Well, no, I mean, like, yeah, of course, but she's not here. No crypto ladies in the house. I don't think so. Usually girls don't let guys do crypto. No, it was the other way around. It was the guy. And, you know, his defense was, I believe in that stuff that he's teaching, but I only believe in it in stocks. And I'm like, that's like, I don't believe in that math teacher because that math is wrong. Dude, TA is so universal with patterns in RSI, and what I do is so universal. You can take this to any market and be successful. There are small differences in market dynamics, okay, between each one, Forex, crypto, and the stock market, but overall, you can still trade doing the same thing I do here on any exchange. And that was what was weird about it. It was like, whoa, weird. No, yeah, I said definitely jelly or something. Thanks, Mr. Damon, dude. You Jesus, man. Seriously. Thanks again, man, for everything, all your support, man. Mr. Damon, dude. Because of him, I've got a Herman Miller chair coming in. It'll be in on the 15th of June, like 25 days or something. But dude, like my back, since I started creating content, I'll tell you, my back has gotten bad, and it sucks because I'm for hours in this chair, and this chair sucks. This chair sucks. I doubt that, King Logan. I highly doubt that. RSI is for nubs. Tell them to go to the Barons, cuck 'em. Anna's been here the whole Tim. She'll love you long, Tim. Name that show. Cobra Kai arse whooping, that's right. Electric standing desk. I know I should, man. I'm just so... The desk will be the last thing I get ever of the battle station. But my God, man, of how like much they cost, like real good ones. And not only that, the cable management, everything that I'll have to do with all the stuff. Oh my God. It's just like a... You could put that thing off. That's one thing you can put off. But yeah, maybe for my back, though, that might be a different story. You can also choose Sir. Sir is hot too. What Benjamin? Who is Sir? A Herman Miller Aeron. Right, Jeff? Is that what it is? Are you on the wrong side of the internet again? Exposed. What's up with the chair, Elbow? I'm glad you were able to be there for that memorable episode. I ordered it that night. And for some reason, they use DeJesus materials that it won't be shipped to my house. It won't be here till the 15th of June. I hope it comes in early. I've heard things reading that it does come in sometimes earlier than that time frame they use, but I have no idea why it would take 35 days for a freaking chair to ship to my house. I don't know why. Can someone tell me why they think that? Why 35 days for a chair? Someone. When people start making money, that's what sucks, man. I would hope people made money during the altcoin spring. We had tons of trade setups that could have made people very well off and done very well. But yeah, we're talking about a non-skeptical, crappy, lower high overall run. Yeah, me too, man. Can't wait for an actual bull run. We started creating content after the bull run was over, but we wouldn't exist if it wasn't for that bear trend, right? I saw too many people taking advantage of too many people. That's it. Yeah, spend that on my girlfriend. That's funny. $35 days for efficiency? What do you mean efficiency? That's the most inefficient time ever, right? 35 days before I get my product that I paid that much money for? They're forging the chair in Mount Doom, King Logan. Is that what you're saying? Celebrimbar forging it himself with his elven mallet. Man, this is like, God. Whew. It has to. Opie, come on, man. You got to know that. It has to. It's like the It chair or whatever on South Park. Like it can fly. Oh yeah. You were being sarcastic. /S, man. It's a lot of Virgil. Oh yeah, man. Yeah, but dude, because of Mr. Damon, he made it a reality. I would have probably put that off for a very long time. But Mr. Damon's like, no ifs, ands, or buts. Just do it, man. Just do it. We care about you and your health. We need you to be healthy. And it's like, he just donated it. And that's when I said, okay, I went to the site right then and there, right after the stream, and then bought it. And then I'm just waiting now for it to come in. It's just unreal, man. People, like, all y'all are just unfreaking believable what y'all have done and how you've positively affected my life and made my dreams real. And I know people don't care, but it's whatever, right? Sounds like work now. Well, we're talking about cool chairs, right? Benjamin would build something for $800. Yes, maybe you would, man. Artificial supply and demand on a freaking chair. Yes. I think it did come with a jetpack, John Doe. I only had to pay like $20 more, and I got a jetpack with it. It's weird. It's like Boba Fett, man. Boba Fett's actually wearing a Herman Miller Aeron. That's his jetpack. It's the brand. Jillian made it. She freaking made it. Thanks, Tris T, man. Care about you too, dude. Drist T's a Jedi. Soon. He's like pretty much is. Thoughts on South Carolina coin, Beast on mine? I was looking at that, man. It was at the bottom of a trend line, but I was just so like done. I was looking at it. I saw SC coin, right? I saw it. This, look, remember, GVT, whoever asks about it, man, don't even think you're fine. Don't think, oh my god, I'm good, man. We're going to go to the moon, man. We double bottomed. That doesn't mean crap. Start making consistent higher highs and we'll talk. Get above your 200 and we'll talk. You are a scrub coin until you do something. Okay, this could extend on for another month and a half. Don't even think I'm kidding. I decreed this way back here. After this move here, we said, guess what? This was happening while the altcoin spring was starting to happen for all the other coins. While all the altcoins, most of them, were getting wrecked, getting destroyed, you were having insane runs here. I'm telling you. Mockhead knows. Multiple people that watch the stream every day know what I said about GVT, okay? They know. South Carolina coin. It looked great. It was at a great area of support. Oh, it's still there, man. Holy crap. It's still there. Here's your South Carolina coin. At the bottom. There it is. Ladies and gentlemen. 3, 2, 1. No kappas. Laura was here. And Anna was here. And Lori was here. Buy a Russian girlfriend. Heard they are top quality these days. Yeah, that sounds awesome. Sounds awesome. I'd like to maybe get a girl. No, exit. Exit. Why is my Amazon named girl for some reason just reacted? No, I'd like to get a girl that's not brain dead. Albo says Ray and the entire Hypton Crypto family has changed your life. Albo, man, well, that really means a lot, and I'm glad to hear that, man. Lots of fulfillment from that. Seriously, dude. If you're not paying for it, you're paying too much. I don't get it, man. Tell me more. Well, I mean, we covered all the coins, just about. Almost all of them. Almost, right? That were requested, King Logan. Well, Beasto, man, your coin in the jar bounced out, dude. Hey, thanks so much for the follow on Twitch. GG's, man. Welcome to the team, dude. Welcome to the team. And most people on Twitch don't give a rat's crap or butt about crypto or the TA. We're a TA show, man. We don't play games. We try to change people's lives in a positive way. Not by playing video games, but by giving you a fishing pole, okay? One day it'll catch on. One day. When people grow up. What do I see Litecoin going to because of the Gemini news? I'm not sure, man. Look, we can look at the chart again. We already looked at it, but as you can see, Beastomon, our friend, falling wedge pattern. Whatever Bitcoin does, this is going to follow, okay? So, look, if Bitcoin's doing the exact same thing on its chart, okay, Beastomon, falling wedge patterns are inherently bullish reversals, right? You had a move up, you had a nice trend going, you broke down out of it. When you broke out, you got wrecked, man. Seriously got wrecked. But now, falling wedge pattern, should see a nice move up at some point if we can find some volume, and again, if Bitcoin doesn't crap out. Again, Bitcoin's chart looks just like this in a way. So if this doesn't look zooming in, a lot of failures here. Eventually, if you don't break out with some volume, you will break down to the bottom of the channel, or excuse me, bottom of the wedge. Okay. Now, in terms of news, evidently the news had nothing to do. The Gemini news that affected this coin, literally zilch. Okay, when you see news, you see catalysts you're talking about where that news pops, you get big pops on your coin. You get huge breaks to the upside on nice levels of volume, huge spikes. But here we're just seeing the volume completely dry up, which is the calm before the storm. Okay, we'll see what happens, all right? Beastomon, I hope that helps, man. This is TA. Unfortunately, this is not speculative crap, you know, where someone's like, oh, well, I think, you know, most shows, you're going to ask, like, oh, man, I think that's good news, man. I think that's real good, man. I think we're going to see a big pop, a big move for Litecoin soon, man. And you'll be all like, oh, my God, really? It's not like that, man. The news happened and nothing occurred on the chart. Nothing. So that means that it was literally not affected at all. So that's it, man. 8 million rubles? Holy God, man. How do you get a wrench, says Lord Awesomest. Ask Stuart, or ask Bradford. Ask them, man. You can get girls on Amazon now? I don't know, Exposed Man. Can you? I don't know. You said may. You say, may I get girls on Amazon? I might be able to tell you a better answer. But you said, can I? Can you? You can. Yeah, we covered a bunch of coins, man. This is Star Wars World's theme, man. Thanks, Julia. Star Wars Worlds, where are you, man? Pump the market up, dude. Star Wars Worlds was saying that he would do everything in his power this weekend to pump the market, and he's not able to do it, man. He doesn't have enough Bitcoins. Gators drink Natty Light. My God, man. Never sell, never lose money. Kappa. Just go shopping for boots every year. You may meet a girl. Shopping for boots? What is this? John Wayne Jesus, man? Talking about cowboy boots? No, that's the thing, though, Dan. I'm a price versus cost guy. I go for really expensive, nice, incredible boots, so I never have to get new ones for like 10 years. I guess that's my own problem, right, Dan? I screwed up. It's true, right? I mean, if you're like holding now, if you held through the 20K stuff, you didn't sell, and you came all the way down to 5,900 and you're still holding now, why would you sell now? It doesn't even make sense. Like, my God. Yeah, I sold, like, I held from however long to 20K down to 59K, 5,900 to 17,000 down to 15,000 down to whatever where we're at now. Like, I held through all that, but now I'm scared. What? How can you be scared now? 185 Litecoin. I mean, I wouldn't be scared. Just look, if you're a Litecoin guy, look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin owns Litecoin. Bradford's not here. Bradford, if you don't say anything, you suck. We'll see what happens. We'll see. Does he say anything? Probably not. He'll say he's saying he sucks if he doesn't respond. Can we look at ONT? Yeah, man. Let's go. We're at 3, 2, 1. ONT. Wham, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Hey, you broke out, man. Broke out. You did it, man. You did it. You broke out. Downward sloping channel to the upside. Break. Big red candle. Hooked. Probably could just keep on floating down if you wanted to. I'm telling you, just keep on. We'll see how this correction turns out. Your most recent low is the lowest low of the correction. So we'll see how this pans out. But you want to get a big bullish engulfing candle on nice levels of volume. I mean, you got a nice level of volume breaking out of this. Look, when you busted up, it was higher than average volume than your most previous averages, right? God, you hit 59 and then broke down. 60 and above is bullish. There you go, Crypto Colorado. Welcome. Welcome to your world. You guys buy new boots or shoes every 3 months? My God, what are you doing? Ask Lando spot. Dude, I don't know what happened to Lando, man. Lando is busy, like real busy. Like I've never seen him this busy. I don't see him anymore. Or talk to him much. It's like once every like week I talk to Lando now. They're just all busy doing things. And it's like, man, they were fun to talk to. I don't talk to them much anymore. I don't know. I never like gave up my activity in the chats with them, but they got other things in their life going on evidently. So that's right, we did it, man. Crypto Colorado, we did it. Here we are. We broke out. Did I flip Jeff Tunney's 1K donation into 10,000 in cryptos? No, because I haven't even received that yet. Because I don't get paid till the end of the month. It's not. Look, you can't think that the tips that I'm receiving are just literally going to my PayPal immediately. That's not the way it goes. Not the way it goes at all. Beast on bed and breakfast coin. There you go. That's all I'm gonna say. On both. I was very demoralized. Okay, kind of recently. Demoralized the BNB. I just forgot about it. I didn't want to talk about it or look at it. I said, I'm forgetting about it. I don't care. I have complete devotion to this coin because of what it does, for how many people it does it for. And I said, I don't care if it's breaking down. I'm done. I don't care. I forgot about it. And then boom, someone's like, BNB pumping. We was going to be kings, and we became kings. We did it, man. But I've been holding. Been holding that one. You get every time you flip a track. Oh, flip a trick. Gross, man. I'll tell you this, Crypto Colorado. PayPal, they take the least amount out of my pocket. Okay, screw Super Chat. I already told Matt Beasley about it, so I told him to turn off Super Chat because it screws him. And screw Twitch. Screw both of them. PayPal is the only way to go when it comes. Look, if you're trying to tip me or Matt something, okay, for what we do. Do not, if you want us to get the most amount of money, go through PayPal. And I told him to make sure to get it going through that. And he didn't even know to do it through PayPal or whatever. I know it changed, when I talked to him, he was like, what? Okay. So I know that he's probably working on changing that. But screw Super Chat and screw Twitch, both of them. The greedy mother truckers, whatever. Not meaning truckers are bad. I'm saying mother trucker is just a way of being, PG about the word, whatever. Because it rhymes. Don't get revenge on me, man. Cuckum Good's business has been booming, dude. Happy to hear it, Cuckum Good. Happy to hear it, dude. Is Matt code name for Prince William? I don't know, man. Hey, Brazilian Bacon, man. Dude, what is going on? Every time someone drops a coin into the jar, it bounces out. Brazilian Bacon, man. Welcome to Twitch. Can I take your Twitch order? No kappas. And some other random coin fell into the jar right after. Weird. Okay, man. How long have we been going now? Jeez, man, going 2 hours and 40 minutes. Overtime, I didn't even realize it. What's going on? Is anybody there anymore? Does anyone care? God. ONT's bull flag. Is that what you say? Cook 'em good?
Lord Awesomeness tipped $10.
Lord Awesomeness, man, coming in $30 on the night. Dang, dude, you Jesus, man. Thank you so much, Lord Awesomeness, man, being $30 Jesus, man. Crazy, dude. Love it, man. Thank you so much, dude. Means everything. Truly does. All y'all. Freaking fantastic. But Trucking Crypto, man. Trucking Crypto is the top Jesus of the evening with $350. No one's touching that, man. Old Lawrence, man. Old Lawrence. Love it, man. 5 Brazilian bacon. Bacon, bacon. You love overtime, Julia. Well, we love you. King Logan's here. Thanks for being here, King Logan. Love your support. Truly do, man. You Jesus, man. Overtime. Thanks, Al. You a beast, man. Yeah, what is everyone drinking? Yes, Cookum, I do. I do play margins on BitMEX. Yes, I do. Absolutely, MK. Let's go, man. Oh, it's so comfortable back here. Holy crap. Still on that downward sloping channel, right, man? Doing nothing. Just making lower highs. That doesn't, you know, it's just like, it's not doing anything. We're not picking up more shorts. More people are not shorting. They all got taken to the woodwork, did they not, MK? Just keep on making lower highs. Jeez, King Logan's sake? How do you say it? Lychee? Is it lychee sake with sushi on the side? Jeez, man, you're eating sushi, watching Crypto and Chill, episode 86. My God, man. Royalty, King Logan. Alright, Brazilian Bacon, thank you so much for being here. Appreciate all your support. Means everything, dude. Seriously. Exposed says Juice. Juice. Hey, does anyone remember the movie Blank Check? Macintosh? Who's Macintosh? Is King Logan Macintosh? And who's Juice? Exposed. Who is Juice in this channel, man? Hey Tupac, man, thanks so much for the $5 contribution. You Jesus, man. Thanks, Tupac. Don't let Biggie Smalls come in. Biggie Smalls, are you out there? Are you gonna one up Tupac? Don't do it, man. I don't want a gang war going on in chat. Don't do it, Biggie Smalls. East Coast first West Coast, ladies and gentlemen. Is it true? Is it decreed? Is JR still drinking? I don't know, man. Should he? He might be drinking. Use 1UP coin for stream elements to accept. Hold on. I'm going to copy pasta that for mission control. Hold on. Copy pasta in mission control right now. Hey, Rob, man. Thanks for the info, dude. We'll see what we can do, Rob. Okay? No, for real, dude. That's amazing. Thank you, dude. I'd never even heard of that in my life. Someone brought up something called Enterprise or something last night, about $15 a month, and I can play copyright music all I want, no matter what it is. I'm going to do that. I was gonna, but I went out before the stream. I had other things. I tried to at least salvage some part of my real life today, you know, for myself probably and others. So Tupac's here, man. Dude, we had Tupac tonight. We had Michael Jackson last night. We had that Kylie Jenner lady. And then we had someone else. Oh, we had Tom Brady. We had multiple celebrities tipping us last night. Now we have Tupac. Can you freaking believe Tupac's here? It's the hologram Tupac. He's going to get us. Did anyone ever see that South Park with Tupac being a hologram? Sometimes I feel like Cartman Bra when I'm doing streaming now. I'm in my little corner. And be like, come in, bruh. No one even knows what I'm talking about. I get it, man. I get it. Cheers, Brazilian bacon. Ow. What about Midwest versus Middle East gang war in chat? That'd be an interesting. That'd be like a Wisconsin going against someone with an AK. So it'd be like AR versus AK. I don't even know, man. Lychee, bomb sweet fruit with texture like a grape without the outer skin. The sake is made with it. Oh my god, man.
Suge Knight tipped $8.88. Bang bang. How dare you leave my label too hot?
Hey, King Logan, is that you, man? Is this John Wayne Jesus, dude? I'm assuming it was you. Suge Knight. What is a Suge Knight? I have no idea what a Suge Knight is. Sorry, man. Suge Knight. I don't know what you mean, man. We live on coasts around here. Good to hear what, Julia? What are you having a good hear? Lord, time is good time? Yeah, well, you know. Sometimes it is tough. Keep up these late night crypto streams. Great stuff. Thanks to the Dubai review. Well, I hope you're getting value out of it. Hopefully I'm positive in your life, okay? So thanks, Dubai review. You Jesus, man. Benjamin Smith's just laughing his butt off. And just remember, Dubai review, man, we've been going, normally I go 2 hours, do the TA for real, then after 2 hours, when I go over 2 hours, I start getting lax, okay? So, forgive me. Just letting you know, we don't go as hard on TA after 2 hours, just we engage with chat mostly, and we do some TA, but, you know, the stream is always going to be 11 Eastern in the U.S. Always starts then. We go hardcore. How do I not know who Suge Knight is? Oh my god, man. I feel stupid now. Someone said. God, this chair, man. Do you hear the squeaky squeaks? Okay. Marion Hugh. Don't you dare call me Marion, man. Don't call me Marion. Is that it? Is that what he says, man? Don't you call me Marion, man. Warren Buffett, am I in the right place? Get back to Omaha, Warren. Oh my god, that's hilarious. That made me laugh, man. Time for another beer? I got plenty, believe me. 10% alcohol. Drank plenty before the stream. More than I should have. Anthony, man. Dude, thank you so much for the contributions, dude. Assuming you're the same person. Seriously, man. I can't even believe it. $350 on the night. No one's got that beat. No one's touching that. Some of these names, says Stuart. I agree. I concur. Cook 'em good. One of them. Why would we ban you, Cook 'em good? Why would we ban you, dude? You're not saying anything weird. You're just being normal. You just tuned in, but there aren't many people doing YouTube streams at this time. Where you are, it's 9:45 a.m. We'll do my review, man. Got a coin, man? Got a question about a coin? Let me know, man. Hey, we can message each other. What happened? Stupid Discord, man. Well, I mean, what's your, you're kind of cutting through candles, right? You're not really supposed to do that. Cutting through candles is, you know, it's arbitrary, right? That you can't use, look, you're using parts of another, this was a wedge. This was a wedge, right? You're cutting through other patterns to somehow justify another pattern. Well, that doesn't, then I don't know how that really works, right? See, it's more like, whatever. I mean, look, you know, perspectives, people can look at it the way they wish, but I just feel like the pattern started with a huge breakdown, okay, and that's why we have the pattern like this, because it started here with this touch point. It started here with this touch point, and that's why we have the wedge like that. Anything else, I believe, is completely just yeah, this was something else. This was another wedge, multiple wedges. It's just it's my opinion on it. I feel like it might be arbitrary using other pieces of the old chart. This is the impulse that occurred, so we want to use the new impulse candles as our pattern. But that's just me, and again, I'm not telling you you're wrong. I'm just telling you my perspective on what I feel would probably be the most accurate way of looking at it. And it's all good either way. You know, it's all good, man. So bright. Suge Knight was a good misunderstood guy. Stewart, is that true, man? I don't know him. Reminds me of my broke days. Yeah, back when you were like 8. No, I know Warren Buffett. He like, I think, didn't even double his money his first year, but then like tripled it his second year, and then like went nuts after that. It was just like, I've seen it the way he started, and it's crazy. Lord Awesomeness, you went to BQX, man. Sorry, man. Scrub-tastic, dude. Scrub freaking tastic. Jesus, man. Just a weird coin, man. Just a weird freaking coin.
Daniel LaRusso tipped $10. I am such a douche.
Yeah, you are Daniel LaRusso, man. Can somebody just kick Daniel LaRusso in the freaking face? Thank you. Hey, Daniel LaRusso, man. Thanks so much for the $10 contribution. And we love Johnny. We love Johnny Lawrence. We do love him. So we have Tupac. We have Tupac and we have Daniel LaRusso, but we don't have Biggie Smalls and we don't have Johnny Lawrence. What's up with that, man? What's up with that? Suge Knight did nothing wrong, says JR. Free Suge Knight. Free him. Here we are, 2.5 later. What? No, we're like 3 hours later. One man armory, 3 hours later. What? People are saying that Suge Knight ran over a person in his SUV. That's crazy, man. Sorry, I don't need Bitcoin. This is my address. Yeah. It looks like sweet tea. Oh my god, does it really? Sweet tea, man. It's sweet tea. Yeah, right. Ah, yeah, sweet tea, man. So sweet, man. Exactly. Thank you, Twitter. I know how to make a wallet, and sorry for my previous Bitcoin comments. Warren Buffett, it's all good, man. You can do whatever you want, dude. You're billions of billionaires. Wow, Suge Knight is ruthless, made over 10 of his signed artists go broke, extorted them. Wow. That sounds scary, man. Doesn't sound like a good guy at all, does he? JR, what say you on Suge Knight? You know, Suge Knight. JR, would you sign with him if he asked you? He's like, JR, we like your voice, man. And we'd like to sign you on. How would you feel about that, dude? All good, MK, man. All good, man. Whew. This freaking beer, man. Let's see if we can do something on BQX, right? Let's see how this plays out. I don't even know, man. Y'all see this? Am I crazy? Freaking crazy, dude. Oh my God. Huh. What in the frig, man? What in the freaking frig? Gotta be kidding me. Wow. Okay, there it is, ladies and gentlemen. We are screwed. That's it, man. Hello? Is anyone there? What happened, baby? Does this cook him good? I think that's what he said. I'm more interested in your thoughts on the direction of the market as a whole rather than the particular coins. A lot of people are now comparing this to 2014. AMTCH, thanks so much for the sub on YouTube. Well, Dubai review, man, it all plays a part of what Bitcoin is doing, right, man? So the way I look at Bitcoin right now, I believe we're in a huge symmetrical triangle. This is not new. Okay, a symmetrical triangle is an overall neutral pattern, but it has a hint of bearishness to it just because we had a breakdown and now we're forming a triangle. And I know there's a lot of lines here, but hear me out, man. Let's go to another Bitcoin chart. I have a lot of different charts. Okay, let's see if this one's good. Guess we can just use this one. That's fine. We had this in log scale. Oh yeah, this was the log scale. How about this? You want to see something pretty cool, Dubai? Log scale. Let's go the 1 day. That's wrong though. How's it like that? It's so weird. Okay, Mr. Dubai review. This is from pretty much the inception of Bitcoin. Bitcoin started in 2008, but Bitstamp, it's had Bitcoin on its exchange since 2011, right? So look what we're doing right now. So, back 2011, this was $2.50, my friend. Okay, from there we ran all the way up, huge run, consolidated, ran up again. We topped out at $1,100 on Bitcoin. Then from there, this was December of 2013. Broke down, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low. Then eventually, higher low. We'll see. We started turning things around in 2015. From there, ascending triangle, right? Something broke to the upside, but as you can see, this huge channel that we've got going on, right, man? When we ran up to 20K, we hit the heart line, the dead middle of this of the overall pattern, right? And we've broken down, and this is where we are right now, right? And do you really want to know what the top of the channel is? Top of the channel right here is like $210,000. But here's the thing, we're at the bottom section of the channel, right? We're on the bottom half. So we're much closer to 5,000 than we are to 215, 220,000 up here, wherever it is. So you just gotta think about how it went, right? So look, I love history, and I'm just saying, like, we had a run like this, what if we had a run the same thing, kind of like back here? Same type of crap, right? It looks way more comparable here. Jeez, man, the way it scales is nuts. It's on log scale. So it looks just more like this, right? To where you look how you. Okay, when you ran up, you broke down, you had a nasty breakdown like this back here. Then you ran up, you broke out, and you're like, oh my god, we're gonna do it. We was gonna be kings. we was gonna be kings, and you just kept making lower prices. You broke down for like a year, and then multiple years before you started making higher highs, higher lows. So I think this is something that's very, very deep to understand and look at, right? Looking at the log scale of the overall chart of Bitcoin, right? Where we are, we're in the lower half of this huge channel, much, much closer to 5K than we are 210,000, right? So.
Star Wars Worlds tip $5. Hey guys, BTC will be okay. We are working on it. Is okay, Mitch. Good job, brother.
Hey, Star Wars Worlds, man. In the house, ladies and gentlemen, Star Wars Worlds has been out drinking his Banta juice, his alcoholic Banta juice with the peoples, man, in another galaxy, dude. Thank you so much, Star Wars Worlds. We've been waiting. Star Wars Worlds was going to be a king, and he is. He is. Thank you so much, dude. Is anybody freaked out by this? I know MK and others that have been watching, we covered this once before, but I thought Dubai Review might get a kick out of it, at least. Looking at the overall life of Bitcoin and the way it looks. Okay, that's it. Let me know, man. Warren Buffett says, me. Longest wedding ever. That's right. Where's Johnny? I need Johnny Lawrence, and I need Biggie Smalls.
Johnny Lawrence tipped $5. Hey Daniel, you stole my girl. How does my junk taste?
Johnny Lawrence coming in with the $5 contribution. Johnny Lawrence, I hate to be the bearer of bad news, dude, but Daniel LaRusso contributed $10, so you just got one-upped already by him. Seriously though, thank you so much, Johnny Lawrence, for the $5 contribution. I don't know who you are, but I think I might, but I don't. Thank you. Get him a body bag, says Benjamin. That's right, man. Suge like sugar, Suge night. God. What happened to chat? Oh my God. I was trying to read, but it made me not read it.
Vladimir Putin tipped $5. You have all been hacked. Tap him.
Hey, Vladimir Putin, man, we got all kinds of celebs in the house tonight and yesterday. My God, $5 contribution from the hacker lord himself, Vlad Putin. Thanks, Mr. Vlad Putin. Don't get revenge on me, man. Don't you bomb me, man. We were trying to get it rated R, but certain people want it G. What are you talking about? Like Biggie Smalls G? Holy S, says Julia. Holy S what? $200 and what thousands? I'm just looking at the chart in log scale from the very bottom to where we are now. That's all I'm doing. I'm not doing anything weird. Log scale, all-time chart. Started at the bottom, now we 8K. Drake song indeed. No inverse Drake song needed. The fundamentals have changed, 2014, but guess what? The chart has not changed much. This channel's still real. Doesn't matter how long it's been. This is 2011. It's all still within a huge channel, and it's being respected like the Jesus man. Can't argue with that. The Death Star tip isn't coming, says King Logan. Who would you say if you had to guess? I don't know. We need the Pope in this B right now. Old comments. What? It's all good as long as we don't go over the 4-hour mark. I'm at something. Right, I'm at something. Log scale enhance. Oh, man. How y'all feeling? Y'all numb yet? I just feel like I'm floating on a river right now. Back in the days of old, before there was stress and obligation and the pain of old relationships, right? We all have those. The pain that will never go away, we don't think. Viking Helmet is numb without a B. Benjamin is numb. But it was him. It was the one-armed man. Numb with no mums. Comfortably numb. Good song, man. That's right, Opie, man. So here you go, man. Dubai Reviews already left. He's probably like, screw this guy, I'm out of here. This is crazy stuff, man. Crazy, crazy stuff. I'll wash my hands of this. Tom is a great healer. Guess so, man. Been going 3 hours and 7 minutes. ASTA, no one asks about it. One Man Army, no one asks about it. Stopped out, got wrecked, stopped out. There you go, man. Scrub coin, garbage trash coin. No one cares about it. It was in a trend and it wasn't. That's it. Here you go, here's your trash coin. AST, man, we were gonna be kings. We were gonna be so good, man. Nah, we're just a trash coin in a trash market. Good job. Oh yeah, AST, Air Swap. Yeah, they make so much money and do so many good things for the population. Screw them. Screw this coin. Is that it, man? Floating on a river in Chiang Mai. Yes, Chiang Mai. Yeah, we'll go to fun real quick, man.
Lord Awesome's finished BQX took $20.
Dude, Lord Awesomeness, man. You are Awesomeness, man. Holy crap. BQX. Finish it. Fatality. Is that it, man? Dude, thanks so much. Dude, that's $50 from Lord Awesomeness tonight. My God. Amazing, dude. You're freaking Jesus, man. Wizard Jesus Lord. Thank you so much, man. Seriously. One Man Army in a downward sloping channel. You broke your trend. You suck.
Donald Trump tipped $5. Stormy Daniels was a pump and dump.
I guess so. That's your words, Donald Trump. Not mine. Thank you so much, Donald Trump, for the $5. Had a good time. You had a good time, man. That's all that matters. Pumpy Dumpy. Stormy Daniels, Pumpy Dumpy. There you go. There's your curiosity. Scrub coin. Retracing. We'll see how long it takes. You're making a lower high in your previous high. Previous high. Previous high. Blah. Screw this coin. AST. Go airdrop somewhere else, man. We don't care. Let's go back to BQX for brother, man. Here's your BQX. Look, man. You're near very good areas of value based on this trend right here. This trend line. There it is, man. Let's see if we can get to the top. Bottom top. We'll see, man. Let's see if you might have a partial rise and then break down from here. You might scrub out. There's a possibility, man. I'm just telling you, always love these areas of value down here. Up here, high risk nebulous to very, very low return. Down here, highest return possibility with the lowest risk. Okay, man? That's literally it, man. Okay, literally freaking it. Okay, man? That's it. You're at the bottom of a trend line that extends from beginning, the 18th of March. The crappiest day of 2018 for every single coin just about, except I think BNB. Who is Tracy? Who is she? I'm not sure. You're afraid? You fear falling? Dude, you should, Chaylin, you should not be scared falling asleep on Bitcoin on the weekend. Okay, you should not be worried about it, man. Ha. Cheers to you, Lord Awesomeness. Thank you so much for the contributions. It means everything, really. All y'all are freaking fantastic. I think what I'm going to do, though, I'm a little tired. Been going 3 hours and 12 minutes now. Y'all have made my entire day so much freaking better. Y'all have no idea how much better you've made my day. My God. Didn't expect what I got tonight from y'all. I did not expect what happened. And I'm beyond humbled and grateful, and I just can't believe it. The gratitude and just that I have for y'all is beyond words I can speak to y'all. Tunes, yeah. Tracy is your ex-wife been jamming? Well, thank y'all so much. All right, so I'm just gonna end it on my favorite song of all time. Really, truly is. So, Donald Trump, Vladimir Putin, Johnny Lawrence, Star Wars Worlds, Daniel Russo, Tupac, MK Hani, Logan, Iconic, Obie Taylor, Big Hoyts, Rob, Trucking Crypto, The Top Jesus, $350 contribution, Lord Awesomeness, $50, Bobby Miller, Jeff, Remlog, Anon, thank y'all so much for all your contributions. You're changing my life every day, and it means everything, and I will keep them back for y'all. So thank you. I'm indebted to y'all. So until next time, stay hyped.
Describing definition. Stop and talk about it. Strong beliefs, like ideas come to life.